Good morning, kiddo.
Hey Paula, how's it going?
Everything's good, sweetheart.
That's
Um,
good.
huh?
That's good.
Um, I just got us set up and Judge was pounding nails in, so I didn't want to bring anybody in until he was done with that.
What is he doing?
We're still getting our offices
Still
together.
decorating? Oh, I keep forgetting that you guys are finally in the new court because
Yeah. Well, there
Oh.
was two in my old office. There were two ducks that he had hanging on the wall since I started there. And those two ducks were like my focal point when I was on the phone all the time. So he had those and he goes, do you want them in here somewhere? If you don't, I'll find somewhere else. I said, actually, I've lived with them for so long. I think I'm going to do it again. So he just hung them for me. They look really good.
Well, that's nice.
Huh?
I said, that's nice.
Yes. And they really are perfect for the color of this room. It's just perfect.
Oh, good.
Okay, I've already got people coming in.
Okay. Real quick before you start, since my docket is I think over by like I don't know 10 or so. Does Judge mind if I run as soon as I'm done?
Let me double check, okay?
Okay.
He said that's fine with him. Not a problem.
Sounds good. Thanks.
All right, honey.
Okay.
I'm going to start checking these people.
Sounds good. Hey, Leanna.
Hey, Angela, how are you?
I'm good.
Leanna, are you our lady today?
I am Paula.
Thank you, honey.
No
I'm
problem.
going to email you then, Leanna.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
I'm going to find out who a couple of these people are. They only put their first name in. I know David Shand is an attorney. I bet that's. Good morning, Adam. Can I get your last name, please?
My last name is Dale, D-A-L-E.
Okay. I'm going to put that in there, and your attorney is in the waiting room. Hang on just a minute, and I'll let Judge know. Good morning, Mr. Shand.
Good morning.
Judge will be with you in just 1 minute. He'll
Thank
be
you.
right with you, okay? So just hang in there for a minute.
Morning, Dave.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You see you're working from home as well.
Yes,
It's one of the advantages.
that is true.
Doing really good.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's have appearances from Mr. Adam Dale.
David Shan, on behalf of defendant Adam Dale, Your Honor, who is appearing via Zoom.
And what do we got?
We do have a plea agreement in return for my client pleading to operating while intoxicated. All of the charges will be dismissed.
All right, so we're pleading to file 5339 and dismissing 5262.
Correct.
All right. Mr. Dale, you have discussed your rights and options with your attorney,
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
and you understand the possible penalty for the charge of operating while under the influence of liquor.
I do, Your Honor.
And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to operating while intoxicated freely and voluntarily today?
I am, Your Honor.
Counsel, would you like to do the voir dire?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. Adam, on December 21st, 2019, were you operating a motor vehicle on Shelton, Shelton near Beverly in Van Buren Township?
I was.
Had you been drinking prior to operating that motor vehicle?
I was.
Where were you drinking and how much did you have to drink?
At my own home, no less than a pint, probably more.
And you were intoxicated while you were driving that motor vehicle?
I was.
And do you know what your blood alcohol reading was in after you were operating that vehicle?
0.22.
I'm satisfied if you are, Mr. Shand.
I am.
All right, Mr. Dale, I'll accept your plea to that charge, dismiss the other charge. You're going to hear from our probation department. They're going to schedule with you for a pre-sentence interview that will probably take place on Zoom, just like we're meeting now. They'll also contact your attorney and schedule a sentencing date. I want to check some information with you. Got your address on West Huron Street. That's a valid address.
Yes.
And phone number 239-5763.
Correct. Yep.
And do you have a good email?
I do. It is adale0945@gmail.com.
So first initial, last name 0945@gmail.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I will continue bond. One last thing. Looks like we've got 3 other files from Van Buren Township. They're on a payment plan, money due June 21. You're on top of that?
Yep, I'm up to about $250 paid.
Okay, awesome. Anything else, fellas?
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
All right, stay safe.
Thanks, Angela.
Thanks, Dave.
Great to see you.
You too.
Judge, next we have Kelly Ray Allen. She's the very first one on the docket at 8:30.
There's something wrong with mine. I don't know what you set up, because I can't remove people. If I click the buttons, all I got.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There you go. Sorry. Kimberly Ray Allen. She's the first one at 8:30.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss Allen.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Wonderful. I've got a
Great.
file with your name on it from February 19, 2021, a misdemeanor charge of fail to stop or identify after a property damage accident. This does carry a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to
I'm
90
sorry.
days in
Could you
jail.
repeat the last part?
The
I heard-
possible penalty is up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail.
I understand.
Are you going forward today without an attorney? Or would you like to speak to an attorney?
I'm on my own,
That's
just
by,
myself. I'm sorry?
that's by choice. I have an attorney available to speak to you if you'd like some advice.
I mean, I don't really know what to do. I've never been in this kind of situation before.
That's why I offer you an attorney that could give you advice.
Sure, I'll take one then. Does
All
it
right,
have
we'll
no
put-
cost?
No, ma'am. We're gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Belcher. Ms. Manarino, would you like to tell Miss Belcher if there is a plea
I
offer?
have it, Judge.
Thank you. Paula, can you put the ladies in a breakout?
I will. Thank you.
All right. Bring somebody in.
Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning.
Can you give me your last name, please?
Gladstone, Gladstone.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Gladstone, good morning.
Good morning.
We've got a file from October 29, 2020. The charge was assault or assault and battery, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yeah,
And are you going forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
I would like to, attorney.
All right, we'll put you in line to talk to Miss Belcher when she's free.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Paula, who's next?
Richard Williams. He is scheduled 8:40.
Okay, bring him in.
Sorry. There we go. Oh, I put the wrong, hang on, Judge, I'm sorry. There we go.
Good morning, Mr. Williams. Can you hear me? Mr. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good morning. I've got a file here from March 11, 2021 with your name on it. The charge is a misdemeanor violation of technical requirements, which carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, I realize that now.
Okay.
Okay.
And are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
Judge, I don't need to go that far, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead.
Angela Manarino on behalf of the people. Your Honor, it's my understanding from speaking with the township that this violation has been corrected, so we would move to dismiss the charge.
I'm assuming that's okay with you, Mr. Williams?
That'll be perfect.
Wonderful. Enjoy your day, sir.
Thank you. Have a great one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next, we have Thomas Schramm.
When's he scheduled?
He's right above at 8:40.
Got it. Mr. Schramm, are you connected?
He's not. I'll send a chat. Judge, I sent him a chat.
Let's see if Mr. Hunter's ready for business.
All right. And he's scheduled at 8:40.
Thank you.
Mr. Hunter is connected.
Good morning, Mr. Hunter.
Good morning.
You
Your Honor.
are scheduled today for a misdemeanor pretrial operating while intoxicated from February 8, 2021. That carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you prepared to talk to the prosecutor without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney today?
I actually have an attorney.
Jonathan Jones. All right,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're going to put you back in the waiting room until Mr. Jones joins us.
Sorry about that, Judge.
And Miss Belcher, how we doing?
Yes, Judge, we're ready on Miss Allen's file.
Tell me what we got.
Your Honor, she's going to be taking advantage of the offer that was made from the prosecutor, pleading to failure to report.
All right, and Miss Allen, you have discussed your rights and options with Miss Belcher today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand those rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of fail to report?
Yes, Your Honor.
And understanding all of that, you're pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Miss Belcher, you want to do the voir dire?
Your Honor, unfortunately, I don't have a report for
No
this
problem.
file.
No problem. Were you driving a vehicle, Miss Allen, in Van Buren Township on February 19, 2021?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and did you fail to report that accident to police as required by law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ladies, you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge. Ma'am, is your address still on Ponderosa Trail?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you have a phone number we could put on the file?
Sure.
Yeah. It's 734-444-2847.
Great. Miss Belcher, what should I know about Miss Allen before I set terms?
Your Honor, my client does collect disability. She's on a very limited income per month. She has a bone disease and epilepsy, so we would just ask that you take that into consideration. I did speak with her about the possibility of doing community service because she only brings in about $1,000 per month. She said that she could probably do something at Salvation Army, given her
Okay.
limitations, if Your Honor would consider.
Okay. All right. Miss Allen, anything else you want to add to that?
I feel pretty ashamed of myself and I regret being silly and making this mistake. And I apologize for taking up the court's time.
Oh, don't apologize. I like my job. All right, I'm going to assess fines and costs of $300 or 30 hours community service.
Sure.
Whichever one you choose has to be completed and documented to the court by July 1.
All of which?
All
I
of
mean,
it.
like I have to pay all of it by July 1st or?
Either pay $300 by July 1 or do community service by July 1. If you
Oh,
want to
either
mix it up a
one.
little, if you want to do a little bit of both, I give you credit at $10 an hour for every hour of charity work you do. It's got to
I'll
be a
happily pay the
nonprofit charity.
$300.
Pardon me?
I can pay the $300.
Okay, just get it done between now and July 1.
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
welcome.
Honor.
Miss Belcher, we're going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Gladstone now.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Do you have a calendar anywhere other than that one?
I got this one, or you can use my calendar.
You know what I need is one of those card calendars. You used to get all the freebies. that show,
Yeah.
You know, the whole year.
Yeah. I never use those anyway. I'll get you one, Judge.
Well, unfortunately, it looks like I'm stuck working on that road for a while.
I put Ms. Belcher into a waiting room with Ms. Gladstone. Mr. Hunter is waiting on Jonathan Jones. Thomas Schramm is the one that's not
Yeah.
paying attention. And Roderick Bruce does have an attorney as well, Basil Johnson, and he's not checked in yet either.
All right.
And we just got a Wagenka in there.
That's building department.
You want me to let?
Do we have Romulus files today?
No,
That's who he is.
I'll bring him in and find out what he's here on. Good morning, Mr. Wagenka.
Good morning.
Are you in the right Zoom?
Well, I was informed that I had a scheduled hearing for 6388 Inkster Road.
Well, Romulus is in Judge Martin's courtroom today,
Okay,
and you're in Judge Oakley's right now.
all right. Now I had it with the paperwork I have says Judge Oakley, so I will get out of this and try it again.
Thank you.
Sorry, thank you.
That's all right.
Mr. Schramm still can't connect.
I'm going to boot him. That may
Go ahead.
wake him up a little. There we go. Oh, we do have the attorney in for Mr. Bruce.
Bring him in.
Both are connected, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Your appearance for Mr. Bruce, please.
Morning, may it please the court, Basil Johnson, P 72130 on behalf of Mr. Bruce.
Hey, how you doing? Good morning, Roderick Bruce. I'm trying to turn my camera on now. I need 1 second.
You're all right, Mr. Bruce. Counsel, have you had conversation with the prosecutor?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Would you like a breakout room with her?
Please.
Paula?
She's, oh, hang on. Mr. Bruce, I'm just going to mute you for just a few moments, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, Judge, we also have Jonathan Jones in, who is Mr. Hunter's attorney.
Bring him.
They're both
James.
connected.
Hi,
Good
Paul.
morning, Mr. Jones. Your appearance for Mr. Hunter, please.
Hi, Judge.
Your appearance, please.
Jonathan Jones appearing on behalf of Mr. Hunter.
Have you had conversation with Miss Manarino?
We have had some brief conversation. I'd like to see her this morning for just a second.
All right, she is in a breakout room with another attorney, so
Okay.
we'll put you in there as soon as she's free.
Thanks, Judge.
Mr. Hunter, just hang out. We'll put you on mute.
Judge, Mr. Schramm is back. I'm going to try and bring him in, okay?
Sure.
And I just sent him another text or another chat. Mr. Schramm, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Thank you.
I'm not real familiar with
Hang on, Judge will be right with you.
Mr. Johnson, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
All right. Your appearance one more time.
May it please the court, Basil Johnson on behalf of Mr. Bruce. He's present on Zoom.
And what are we doing?
I spoke with Sister Counsel Judge, amending the count to double parking, and Mr. Bruce like to take care of that, Judge.
All right. Was there a fines and cost agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it'd be $300.
Thank you. Mr. Bruce, is that your agreement? Was that a yes?
Yes, sir.
And when can you pay that?
I could pay that today.
Does he have a bond, Judge?
I'm looking.
Okay.
He had a bond that was forfeited at some point in the past. Actually, it looks like he might have had, one bond that got forfeited.
Okay. Can you reinstate it?
Not unless you got a real good reason why it was forfeited over 2 years ago.
Oh, I understand. Well, just that at that time, Judge, he had a lot of outstanding matters, and this is our last matter in his life to take care of.
Good. Mr. Bruce, what are you up to now? You working?
Yeah, I'm working. I'm working with my sister business.
What'd she do?
She's an event planner. I just help her set stuff up and break stuff down. I'm not much of the person that be there during the event. I'm just the person that come and help her set up, and then afterwards take stuff down and load it on the truck and stuff.
Yeah. So how many hours a week you working on average?
I say about 10 on the average, like, cause
okay, brother, get a job. I mean,
yeah,
everybody and their brother is looking for help right now. Get a real job. It's time to grow up. Get a real job, start putting money away for your retirement, do the adult thing. Fines and costs, $300. I'll give you until May 29th.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, counsel.
Have a good one. Oh, yes, Mr. Bruce, we talked about this yesterday. Can he have a clearance from today's?
As soon as he pays that $300, we'll clear him out.
Okay. Thank you.
Absolutely.
So can I, once I pay it today, would I be able to come in and get a clearance?
You pay it today, we clear you with Secretary of State.
Oh, perfect. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Judge,
welcome.
I'm going to put Miss Manarino and Mr. Jones into a breakout room now.
Wonderful. Miss Belcher.
Yes, Judge, we're ready on Gladstone.
Tell me all about it.
Your Honor, it's going to be a plea. The only modification is we are requesting HIDA instead of 771. She is 19 years old. I did send a text to Miss Manarino. She is fine with that.
Yeah, I would think so. All right. Miss Gladstone, you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
And you've discussed your rights and options with your attorney?
Yes.
Understanding those rights and options and the possible penalty, are you pleading guilty to assault and battery today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Belcher, Vordier?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Gladstone, on 10/30/20, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
And when you were at your home in that city, did you come in contact with an individual named Autumn Nelson?
Yes.
And did the two of you get into an argument?
Yes.
And at some point during that argument, did you place your hands on her?
Yes.
And did she give you permission to do that?
No.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. So am I. Holly Lane, the good address?
Yep.
686-7473 phone number?
Yep.
Yes.
And Miss Belcher, how long was the HIDA for?
It's for 6 months, Your Honor.
All right. Tell me something about Ms. Gladstone.
Works full-time, Your Honor, at Margola's. She graduated from Belleville High School. There's
Right.
nothing major that's noteworthy in her criminal history, except for, I believe she said once she stole from Walmart and was before, Your Honor.
Yep.
Other than that, she stayed out of trouble, except for this incident, which unfortunately occurred. It's her brother's girlfriend.
All right, and she must have successfully completed the retail fraud.
Yes.
Yes, Your
That was
Honor, she did.
dismissed. Okay, all right. Ms. Gladstone, anything you want to tell me?
Not really.
That's okay. All right, 6 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $350. I can put you on a monthly payment plan or give you 30 days to pay it in full.
Paid in full.
Any questions?
Nope.
You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You judge.
And Mr. Jones, your appearance for Mr. Hunter.
Judge, Mr. Jones just asked to be put into a breakout room with Mr. Hunter.
Okay,
And that's where they're at right now. So I did put them in. We do have Mr. Schramm.
didn't Mr. Schramm want to talk to an attorney?
Yeah, I think he did. I'll put him in with Miss Belcher.
Thank you, Paula.
You're welcome.
Ms. Belcher, are you there listening?
Yes, Judge.
You're representing Belleville Yacht Club today?
Yes, Judge.
I'm bringing Mr. Jones in. Do we need Miss Manarino for that one?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Judge, she's going into the breakout room with Mr. Schramm. Do you want me to bring him back until?
I'm looking at Angela Manarino's name, so I'm assuming she's not in the breakout yet.
No, Leanna was going to go into the breakout room with him.
That's all right. Mr. Schramm can wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, people, your appearance on the Belleville Yacht Club matter, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Leanna Belcher on behalf of the Belleville Yacht Club.
And Angela Manarino on behalf of the people.
Thank you, ladies. Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, where are we at, people?
Your Honor, I did forward the application that was submitted to Eagle to Miss Manarino. I believe she has reviewed that. I did get an email from her this morning. I think we are close to working this out. I think we just need a little bit more time, if that's also correct with Miss Manarino.
Yes, Your Honor, I'd agree with what Ms. Belcher said.
All right, how about July 1 at 9:10?
That's good with me. No, actually, Judge, good thing I looked at my calendar at the top. I am out of town that day.
Good for you. I hope you're going somewhere fun. How about the 15th of July, 9:20?
That's good for me.
Fine with me, Judge.
Mr. Jones?
That's perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, that'll be in courtroom 1. All right, good luck, folks.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye,
Leanna, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Schramm, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Let's see them.
Massenburg scheduled at 9:10, Paul.
Okay. You want me to bring her in?
Sure.
Yeah, no attorney, so.
Good morning, Ms. Massenburg.
Good morning.
You are scheduled today for a pretrial on an August 19, 2013 misdemeanor charge of retail fraud. Possible penalty is up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. There is no offer on this file, so your options are you can plead guilty, you can plead no contest, or we can set it for trial. Do you understand your options?
Yes.
Are you prepared today to go forward without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
I'm prepared to go without.
And what's your decision, ma'am?
Oh, I plead guilty.
All right. On that date of August 1913, were you in Van Buren Township in a store?
I was.
What store was that, ma'am?
It was Walmart.
Okay, and at that time, did you attempt to get some merchandise out of that store without paying for the merchandise?
I did.
What was the merchandise, if you remember?
It was clothing.
All right. I will accept your plea. Your address on Freedom Lane, correct?
It is.
Phone number 719-3171?
Correct.
All right. And are you working?
I am not. I have children who is like remote learning from home, so I can't work right now.
All right. Is there anything you would like me to consider before I sentence you today?
That I do have children and I am the sole provider for them. That's about it. And that was so long ago and I've learned my lesson. I haven't done anything since.
Okay.
And I'm all the way in Battle Creek now.
All right.
That's
Thank you,
all.
ma'am. Anything else?
No.
All right. Fines and costs on this file total $400. I can give you a due date as long as you pay it within 30 days, or I can set you up with an actual monthly payment plan, whatever works best for you.
I can pay that June 1st. So yes, 30 days,
Okay.
I'll pay it.
Then I'll make that your payment plan. June 1st due date. Any questions, ma'am?
No, $400. So do I send it to the courthouse?
$400 to the 34th District Court. That closes the file.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome so much. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
On the Hunter matter.
Morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Jones appearing on behalf of the witness, Mr. Hunter. I wish you and your staff a good morning as well as sister counsel. We're prepared to resolve this today by having him plead to the added count of operating while visibly impaired. I thoroughly went through his rights with him. He understands if he accepts the plea, won't have a trial. He'll waive the trial rights of confrontation, presumption of innocence, right to testify and whatnot.
Okay, Mr. Hunter, correct? You understand all your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you've gone over with Mr. Jones the possible penalty for the charge of operating while visibly impaired?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all these things, you're going to plead guilty to that charge today, and you're doing so freely and voluntarily. Is that correct?
Yes.
Wonderful. Mr. Jones, would you voir dire?
Mr. Hunter, on the date in question, were you driving on a public street? It was it Van Buren?
Yes.
Van Buren Township, okay. And prior to doing so, did you consume alcoholic beverages?
Yes.
Okay. If you remember, what did you have to drink?
Too much.
All right, we'll go with that. And were you pulled over by a police officer?
Yes.
And did you ultimately take a test to measure the alcohol in your system?
Yes.
And you're aware that that was at a 0.23?
Yes.
I told you that Ms. Manarino and I would stipulate to the judge that that in and of itself would put you over the legal limit of 0.08?
Yes.
Okay. And do you believe that the consumption of alcohol impaired your ability to drive a car safely in a normal fashion?
Yes.
Satisfied?
I am satisfied, Mr. Jones. Thank you. I will dismiss the original charge. Mr. Hunter, I've got your address on Cathedral in Redford. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a phone number we can put on the file, sir?
734-250-5807.
And do you have an email?
J.A. Hunter, the number 7, and that's at Gmail.
Thank you. All right, so from here, I'm going to send the file to our probation department. They're going to contact you probably by email, but they might call you. They're going to contact you and set up a Zoom interview, pre-sentence investigation interview. Based on that interview, they'll put together a report and recommendation for sentence. They'll send that to Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones will be contacted about a sentencing date, and then we'll get together at a later date for sentencing. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Jones, looks like Mr. Hunter has not been arraigned, so I'm going to put him on a personal bond unless you try to talk me out of it.
No, Judge, I know you have lots to do this morning. I'm going to stay quiet.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond, Mr. Hunter. 2 conditions. Number 1, you cooperate with the probation department and Mr. Jones so we can get you sentenced to move this file along. And number 2, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substances unless you've got a doctor's script. Understood, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a good day, Mr. Hunter. Mr. Jones, always a pleasure.
Thanks, Judge. Stay safe. We'll just get a date in the mail for the sentence.
You'll hear from probation. Yep.
All right, please stay safe. Angela, Paula, thanks for the time, ladies.
All right, Ms. Belcher.
Yes,
We're waiting
Judge.
for Mr. Schramm to join us.
I need a breakout room with Angela on this one.
We can do that.
Thank you,
We've got
Judge.
the technology.
I appreciate it.
Hang on just a second, honey. I'm resetting the room.
Thank you, Paula.
I'm gonna check him out. He's not on the list. Yeah. I'm sending him a chat
Thank you.
with basic instructions, so should help him. I don't see an Eversole either. Oh, there she is. Okay, she is at 9:20. Okay, he's not responding to my chat. Gonna bump him and have him call back in.
Fine.
There we go. I'm bringing in Anna Eversole, and there's no attorney on it. She's scheduled at 9:20, Judge. The judge will be right with you, Ms. Eversole.
Okay.
Ms. Eversole, good morning.
Good morning.
I've got a file here from September 14, 2020. The charge is a misdemeanor contributing to the delinquency of a minor. Carries a
Yeah.
possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Ma'am, have you decided to go forward today without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
Oh, Your Honor, she's my client.
Okay, perfect timing then.
Yes, Judge. And I do need a breakout room with her. Miss Manarino did send me a plea offer, but due to my schedule yesterday, I was unable to contact Miss Eversole.
Okay. We can do that, breakout room.
Leanna, I'm sorry, it doesn't show you on the docket that
Oh,
way.
it's okay. She did request me ahead of time, so I have had contact with her. I don't know why they didn't switch it.
Okay.
Love you guys.
There we go.
Atlanta in the house.
Angela, do you know if she was ready with Mr. Schramm or?
Happy anniversary.
We are ready on that, Judge. We were just asking, for an adjournment for discovery on that.
Good morning. What are you looking for? Oh, they finally brought them over?
I found some in the closet.
Thank you.
Trash line, you know, the wall mounted.
Yeah, I've only been asking for them since we moved in.
Do you have any? Oh, yeah, these are all done. These are all done, right, sir?
Yes. You're gonna give those to Michelle?
Yeah.
Thanks. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Excellent. Who are you appearing for today?
I am appearing on behalf of an individual named Brittany Gary. She's OUIL. I did call your chambers to see if there's any way that we can get it adjourned a week. She's kind of dealing with a family emergency. She asked that I just ask the court if there's any way. It's scheduled for 9:30.
Sure. Did you say the last name was, I got it, Gary, Gary?
Correct.
Okay. Ms. Manarino, any objection? Counsel, I can't adjourn it 1 week. I can go to July 1.
That's fine.
July 1. And counsel, have you submitted an appearance to the court?
I have. I faxed it in on Tuesday, I believe. If I could send it to your chamber's email as well, just to get it there quicker too.
Let's do that just to make sure, because it's not in the file yet. And, you know, we just moved into the new building, so it could have got lost in the shuffle.
Absolutely. No problem. All right. Go ahead with the email.
Paula, would you provide an email to counsel?
Yes, sir. My email is PMOORE0034@yahoo.com.
I'm going to read that back. It's PMOORE0034
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. I'll send that appearance now. And then should we just expect something in the mail?
Yeah, we'll send out a notice. It's going to be July 1 at 9:10.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Okay, I'm going to bring Mr. Woodson back in and see if he's ready to join us.
Looks like no.
We send him one more chat. We have Carrie Lutoski.
Yeah, bring her in. I think it's Lutoski Carey, though.
Yeah, it is. Because it's a guy. And he's not connected. Aha, he's connected now.
Good morning, Mr. Carey. I have two files with your name on them from July 16, 2020. I've got a misdemeanor drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. And from September 15, 17, I've got a retail fraud. Each of these files is punishable by up to 93 days in jail. Each one up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand the charges and the possible penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, Mr. Carey? Or would you like to speak to court-appointed attorney?
That's fine. Not court appointed.
All right, Ms. Manarino, does the township have an offer for Mr. Carey to consider?
Yes, Your Honor. For Mr. Carey there's no offer on the driving on a suspended license. However, on the retail fraud, if he pleads to that, we ask the court to take that under advisement for 6 months.
All right, do you understand that, Mr. Carey?
Yes, sir.
All right, and do you have enough information to make a decision, sir?
Yes.
As to the drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied file, how do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on on July 16, 2020?
Yes.
At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea. Got your address on Arborview Lane, is that correct?
Correct.
Phone number 995-1173.
That's my father's.
You got a new number?
313-623-8354.
Thank you, sir. Are you working, Mr. Carey?
No, but I just signed up for school.
Where at? What are you doing?
I just signed up for DeVry doing cybersecurity, and I'll be starting in July.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, and as to the retail fraud charge, how do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
Number 15, 2017, were you in a store in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
What store was that, sir?
In Walmart.
And at that time, did you try to take some merchandise out of the Walmart store without paying for the merchandise?
Correct.
What kind of merchandise, sir?
It was scrubs. I was just started a job at a nursing home, and I didn't have the money, so I did.
All right, I'm sorry, what was it?
It was scrubs. I'm sorry.
Scrubs, gotcha. All right. Anything else you want me to consider?
Oh, well, like I was just saying, if we're considering anything, I know it's still bad, but like I said, I just started a job at a nursing home at Northville, Cedarbrook of Northville. And I didn't have the money to pay for the scrubs. So I resort to dumb decisions last minute.
Okay. All right. Well, next time go to Salvation Army and buy your scrubs for about $5 a pair.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else, sir, before I sentence?
No, sir.
On the retail fraud, I'll go along with the prosecutor's recommendation. I'll defer sentence on this for 6 months. That means stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. Court costs on that one, $300. Pay the money, stay out of trouble. At the end of 6 months, it will not be on your record as a permanent conviction. As to the drove while license suspended file, fines and costs on that one, $400. So the total is $700 for 2 files. I can give you a payment plan if you want to make monthly payments, or I can give you a due date if you can pay it within 30 days.
I could do the payment plan.
How much can you pay every month and when can you start?
$700. I could pay $50 a month.
All right, we'll always take money early and we'll always take extra money.
Okay.
Something happens, you can't make a payment when you're supposed to, contact us before the due date so we can stop any late fees.
Okay.
When can you make your first one?
Next week. What's today? Today is the 20th.
20th.
I can make it next Wednesday, which is the 23rd. I'm 23rd.
I'll give you until Friday.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Mena.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Great. Miss Belcher, where we at?
Yes, Judge, I'm ready on Eversole and Schramm.
All right, ladies first then.
On Miss Eversole's file, Your Honor, we're just going to request a brief adjournment. I did get an update from Miss Manarino. This is about school attendance. She indicated that the school did not have records from her son attending from March 9th until present. Miss Eversole is under the impression her son is attending, so she's interested in getting me those records so I can provide them to Miss Manarino.
So want to adjourn?
Yes.
Paula, when are we going to adjourn this one? Because it's a truancy issue. Did we set up a special date for Miss Manarino?
Yeah, we did. What was that, June 3rd?
It was
Angela?
June.
Pardon?
Yes, that's correct.
June 3rd in the afternoon. Why don't we put him at, her at 2 o'clock, Judge?
Thank you.
Michelle?
All right, hold on just a minute, folks. Michelle. All right, I was trying to take care of some other business. So what was the date we're going to adjourn this to?
June 3rd at 2 p.m.
Miss Eversole, any questions?
No.
Good luck.
Thank you. Your Honor.
And we're ready on Schramm?
Yes, Judge. This is going to be a matter that's possibly going to go to trial. As such, I would like to make sure I have all discovery before I set it for a trial date. So we
Sure.
a return date, and I will be sending in a discovery order to Your Honor.
Okay. And July 15th was the date that you were available, if I remember?
I believe that to be true. Yes, Judge. Yes.
Yeah, you're gone on the 1st. All right. What time did I set that first one for you? Do you remember?
You set it at 9:20.
This is at 9:22.
Thank you, Judge.
9:20 as well.
Mr. Schramm, did you hear that?
Looks like Mr. Schramm is muted.
I just asked him to unmute. And I'm sorry, I didn't catch the date.
July 15, 9:20.
Thank you.
Such a nice picture Mr. Mena has up.
Might be false advertising, Judge.
You look so friendly.
I don't have that dark hair anymore.
He looks extremely friendly.
Very handsome, Mr. Minna.
Thank you, Paul.
Okay, so Mr. Schramm can be let go then?
He can.
Okay. There we go.
Good morning, Mr. Aisha.
His client is Richard Ashley. I'll bring him in.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Ashley, please.
Good morning to you and your staff in the gallery. Vincent Haysha appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Ashley, who is present by way of Zoom. Your Honor, we'd waive all issues as it relates to proceeding in that fashion. And as for the arraignment, would waive formal reading and stand Mr. Ashley mute.
Thank you. Have you had conversation with the prosecution?
Your Honor, I have. I did, however, just receive the in-car and booking videos yesterday. So I'm going to ask the court for a very brief adjournment. I'd like to come back in 2 weeks if that's possible.
I'd love to make that possible, but I don't have that option. I can go July 1 or July 15th.
We'll go July 1.
All right. How about 9/10?
That works for me. Your Honor, if there's a circumstance where we do work something out prior to that date, would it be possible to get it on the docket earlier?
I'm almost sure we can sneak you in. Just contact Paula.
Excellent.
All right. Mr. Ashley, you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Did you find Ashley? No, I know. I can't find him on the docket. And who are you bringing in? Mr. King? Is that what you said? Bring him in. Good morning, Mr. Scanlon. Your appearance for Mr. Dubisky, please.
Morning, Your Honor. How are you? Gerard
More
Scanlon.
than I deserve.
How are you doing, sir?
Great. Have you had some conversation with the prosecutor?
Not at all.
Do you need a breakout with her then?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Not at all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Judge, Mr. Woodson is connected. Please unmute, Mr. Woodson. Can you tell me what you're here for, please?
Oh, me?
Yes.
Prosecutor? Well, I think it was OWI and PVT refusal.
Prosecutor?
You have a lot of background noise. I can't hear you over top of that.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm here for a
Fighting a good fight.
PVT refusal and an OWI.
Okay, where did you get the ticket?
Van Buren?
What's the name on the case file?
What do you mean? My name?
Yes,
Frederick Drinkwine?
that's why we couldn't find you.
He's my client, Paula.
Okay. Did you need him in a breakout?
Nope, I already spoke with him. We are waiting for the digital discovery. They did email that it's ready this morning, so I have a runner going tomorrow to pick it up, so I just need time.
July 15th,
Perfect.
9:30. Mr. Drinkwine, that work?
Yes, sir. I meant yes, Your Honor.
Sir works. All right, you're all set, Mr. Drinkwine.
All right, thank you. God bless all.
You as well, sir.
Yep.
Ms. Belcher, I'm not going to comment on the irony.
Okay.
Oh.
There we go. Okay.
What do you got, Paula?
Trying to find Miss Crawford. We have Mr. Levine on Michael Pettix, but he's not in yet. Do you want me to bring him in and see if his client's with him?
Sure. Yeah, that makes sense.
Here we go. Crawford. Good morning, Mr. Levine. Do you happen to have your client with you?
He's not with me. He's supposed to be dialing in separately.
It appears as if.
Mr. Scanlon? You just jumped into the, did you need more time, Angela?
No, we're all set. Mr. Scanlon just needs a minute to speak with his client who's in his office with him.
All right, hang on. There we go. I'm sorry. Mr. Pettix has not signed in yet, sir.
Okay. Is it possible when the opportunity presents to speak to the prosecutor in a breakout room?
Angela, can you do that right now?
Oh, I think that's Jim's case, Paula.
Yeah, that's mine, Paula.
Oh, I am so sorry. Are you ready for it, Mr. Mena?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have Kenesha Crawford, who is scheduled at 9:40, no attorney on the docket.
9:40.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Crawford, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good morning. I've got a file from February 17, 2021. The charge is possession of a weapon or firearm at a prohibited area at the airport.
Yes.
Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. The prosecutor has made an offer. If you plead guilty to the charge, it would be taken under advisement for a 3-month delayed sentence. As long as you pay your court costs and stay out of trouble for 3 months, then it would be dismissed. It would not be a permanent conviction on your criminal history. If it was a firearm, you'll be able to petition to get that back at the end of 3 months. If it was anything other than a firearm, it would be destroyed by the airport authority. Do you understand that offer, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like the advice of a court-appointed attorney?
I should be able to go. I should be able to go without one.
All right. What would you like to do?
If one is provided, I mean, I don't know if I need one or not, but.
Well, don't ask a lawyer if you need a lawyer, because I'm going to tell you yes.
You said, okay. Well, if I can take a lawyer if there's one available.
All right. It'll be a minute, but we'll let you talk to Ms. Belcher. Nope, not going to be too long at all.
Okay. Good morning.
Ms. Belcher, you heard the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Paula, could you put the ladies in a breakout?
Yes, sir. I'm working on that right now.
Thank you.
Good morning. I wrote the date out.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I got you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Judge Kenesha Crawford. Oh,
Ms. Crawford's waiting to talk to Ms. Belcher.
You got back in the main session, Paula.
okay. The thing must have closed out yet.
Ms. Moore, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
What file are you calling in on? I don't have a Toya Moore on my docket.
Actually, it's Alfred LeBron Moore. I'm his power of attorney and his guardian.
Okay, where is Mr. Moore at?
He's currently in the rehab center.
Okay. All right, Ms. Manarino, looks like this is a violation of technical requirements.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Moore, you cannot represent Mr. Moore in a court of law, but let's find out what the prosecutor was planning to do with this file.
Okay.
This violation relates to 2 vehicles that are parked at Mr. Moore's property that are both unregistered vehicles. And Mr. Moore was plead guilty to one of the unlicensed vehicles.
Something happened to your audio. I'm getting a lot of audio and feedback right now. A lot of echo and feedback.
Okay. I don't know what to do. Is that better?
I think it is.
Okay. Okay, so there are 2 vehicles at Mr. Moore's property that are both unregistered. So what we'd like to do is have Mr. Moore plead responsible to one of the civil infractions. We would dismiss the second civil infraction as well as the misdemeanor charge. And then ask Mr. Moore to agree to correct the violation within 14 days or allow the township to remove those vehicles.
All right, let's do this. Ms. Moore, I'm going to let you talk to our court-appointed attorney and see if she can't help you accomplish something today. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Manarino, if you would be so kind, if you can kind of throw that out in a chat to Ms. Belcher.
Yeah,
She's in the breakout room.
On it.
I'm sorry?
With the offer on it. I emailed it to her.
Oh, it's already on the paperwork?
No.
Okay, great. Ms. Moore, just stay where you're at. We're going to mute you, and we'll let you talk to Ms. Belcher as soon as she's available.
Mr. Dubisky and Mr. Scanlon are back, and then I do have Michael Pettix in the waiting room for Mr. Levine when they're finished.
Okay. And Mr. Scanlon, your appearance for Mr. Dubisky, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can I still have a little bit more time to talk to my client?
Sure.
Thank you.
Do you need to go back into the breakout room, sir?
No, not at all.
Counsel, just give me a thumbs up when you're ready. We'll bring you back in.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll bring in Mr. Pettix. He's not connected.
Mr. Levine, did you need to speak to the prosecutor or your client?
Your Honor, I was just put in a breakout room with the prosecutor, and while you were handling another matter, I spoke to my client on the phone. We're ready to go.
Perfect. Wonderful. Your appearance for Mr. Pettix.
Joseph Levine, P50966, on behalf of Mr. P-Tech, Your Honor.
Where are we at?
Your Honor, I
Your
think we've
Honor,
got this resolved. I'll defer to Mr. Mena. Sorry.
No, that's okay. Your Honor, the offer is 771 for a period of 3 months. At the conclusion of the probationary period, the firearm will be returned to him.
And the charge would be dismissed.
Yes.
Understood. All right. Sir, how do you pronounce your last name?
P-Tex.
P-Tex. Mr. P-Tex, you understand that plea agreement?
I do.
You've discussed your rights and options with your attorney?
I have, yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily?
I am admitting to the violation.
Does that mean you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
On February 20, 2021, were you at Detroit Metro Airport?
I was.
At that time, did you have a firearm at a checkpoint where you were not supposed to have it?
I did, yes.
Mr. Levine, are you satisfied with the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Mena?
Yes, Your Honor.
I will accept the plea. Thank you, gentlemen. Sir, is your address on Huron Road correct?
That's correct.
Could I have a phone number for the file?
248-508-1734.
508-1734?
That's correct.
All right. Counsel, is there anything else I should consider about your client before I set terms?
Your Honor, he's had no prior record of any kind. This is a matter where he was extremely cooperative with law enforcement. The report indicates that the weapon was, quote, not artfully concealed. It was a mistake. I know the court's seen these before, but they were certainly indicating that it was not as though he was appearing to try to be getting away with anything.
Understood.
He's very remorseful about what happened, very embarrassed to be in front of you. I know that he won't be again.
All right. Sir, anything you want to add to what your attorney's told me? Don't feel that you have to.
No, I think he's captured it correctly.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll go along with the 3-month delayed sentence. Stay out of trouble. No new criminal offenses for 3 months. Court costs are assessed the amount of $400. Can you pay that within 30 days?
I can, yes.
Anything else, gentlemen?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was muted. We have Mr. Scanlon and Mr. Dubisky.
Your Honor, can I go back into the breakout room with the prosecutor real quick?
Sure.
Thank you.
This was Mr. Mena. Or no, this is Miss Manorino. Miss Belcher, you got anything ready?
We have Miss Crawford.
Yes, Judge, ready on Crawford.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, Mr. Mena, being the very kind city attorney that he is, has offered my client a double parking $400 that she
I
wants.
know you beat up on him.
Your Honor, you have no idea.
I could guess. All right, Miss Crawford, is that the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes, that's the way.
And she will not be getting the item back, Judge, I should clarify, and she just needs a due date, Your Honor, for that $400 within 30 days.
Within 30 days, Ms. Crawford?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, she's explained everything to me. Thank you.
Of course she did. She had to do that while she beat up on poor Mr. Mena.
Oh,
Have a nice day, Ms. Crawford.
you as well. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You want me to put Miss Belcher in with Miss Moore?
Yeah, and Miss Belcher, I think Angela was going to send you some paperwork on Miss Moore. Miss Moore is actually the guardian and power of attorney for the defendant, who is in a rehab center. So I'm just hoping maybe I can't let her represent him on record, but maybe you could help out, see if we can resolve anything.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. Paula, let's bring Mr. Hambrick in.
Okay, let me get them into a breakout, Judge. And Mr. Hambrick does not have an attorney on the docket.
Thank you. Trying to get him connected.
I'm going to send him a chat.
Judge, you in the new courtroom?
No, I can't use my courtroom, Jim. The HVAC is so loud I can't hear anything.
Really?
I'm actually in one of the jury deliberation rooms today.
He's not kidding at all.
I think part of it is my increasing age. There are certain words or certain tones that kind of shut everything else out for me, but nobody else seems to be able to hear much better than I can there.
Wow.
And we still can't get Mr. Manrick.
It looks like he's
connected.
Judge.
All right,
now,
Mr. Hambrick, good morning.
but he's muted.
You're muted, Mr. Hambrick.
All right, I got it. Are
There
you
you
there?
go. Good morning.
Morning.
Mr. Hambrick, I've got a file from March 9, 2021, a misdemeanor charge of checkpoint violation at the airport. Carries
Yes.
a possible penalty of up to $500 fine plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The prosecutor has made an offer on the file. If you plead guilty to the charge, it would be taken under delayed sentence. In other words, you stay out of trouble for 3 months, pay your court costs. If you do that successfully, then at the end of 3 months, it would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a criminal conviction. If the item was a firearm, you could petition for its return. If it was not a firearm, it would be destroyed at the end of 3 months or before the 3 months. Understood?
Judge, your audio is cutting in and out real bad.
And for some reason, I'm getting an echo. Did you understand that, Mr. Hambrick?
Yes, sir.
Do you have enough
Yes, sir.
information to make a decision, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
No, I mean, hey, I had it. It was there, so I'm ready to plead.
All right. March 9, 2021, were you at the airport, Detroit Metro?
Yes, sir.
And did you have something at the checkpoint that you should not have had?
Yes, sir.
What was that, sir?
It was a knife that was stuck in my backpack that I haven't had in like over a year. It's been in my garage, and I used to deal knives, sell them, and it was the last one. It got caught in the bottom of that thing, and man, I was so. I mean, I am so sorry.
All right, I will accept your plea, sir. Your address on Sydney Street is correct?
Yes, sir.
And phone number, please.
734-636-6680.
All right, I'll delay sentence under this agreement with the prosecutor for 3 months. Stay out of trouble. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $350. Can you pay that within 30 days, or do you need a payment plan?
I need kind of a payment plan. I'm just started back to work a little bit.
Good.
So,
how much per month? When can you start?
can we go $100 a month?
As long as you can afford it.
Oh, I can afford that.
Starting when?
How about the beginning of this month or next month?
So first Friday is June 4. That works?
Yes, it does.
Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
You're all set. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, can you give me the total amount on that again, please?
I think it was 350.
Thank you very much. And we have Mr. Scanlon and Mr. Dubisky back in.
Counsel, are we ready on Dubisky?
We are, Your Honor.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, please Honorable Court, Gerard Scanlon, P number 74992, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dubisky. I've spoken with the prosecutor at this time. We are going to adjourn this matter. Mr. Dubisky has a certification, a pharmacy tech certification, and prior to entering into any plea, I would like to ensure that any plea that we take is going to affect that cert.
Sure. I can go to July 1 or July 15th. What's your pleasure?
July 15th, Your Honor.
9:30?
Absolutely.
Mr. Dubisky, you understand that?
Yeah, so adjourn.
You gotta unmute yourself.
Unmute it?
Yeah.
How do I unmute this?
Just give me a thumbs up if you understand
see.
what I told you.
There it is. Yes, I understand.
Okay, good luck to you, sir. Thank you,
Your Honor.
counsel.
You have a great day.
You as well.
Okay, we have Mr. Terrell Moore,
Yep.
and he does not show an attorney on the docket. He's scheduled at 9:40.
See if we can get him connected.
Miss Belcher, I'm assuming you need Miss Moore out here. It looks
I
like
need
she
to
doesn't.
speak with Miss Manarino, Paula.
I'm sorry.
I need to speak with Miss Manarino.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
If you can figure out where that noise is coming from, mute that.
Mr. Moore, do you have background noise coming in?
No.
It was Mr.
I'm
Moore.
gonna step somewhere else. 1 second.
He's ready, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Moore.
Good morning.
I've got a file from February 18, 2020. The charges failed to obey a police officer. This carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I can't even hear you. The phone breaking up.
Judge, I also show he has another case, disorderly, up today.
He does. All right,
Thank
so
you.
I've got two files, Mr. Moore, from February 18. Disorderly person and fail to obey a police officer. Each one of these is punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs, each one up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court appointed attorney?
No, I need an attorney.
I didn't understand you. You do need an attorney?
Yes, I think I
Okay.
would because, yeah, I feel
All
like
right,
I
we'll
was
let you talk
assaulted.
to, we'll let you talk to the court appointed attorney when she's available.
Okay. Okay, sir.
She's in with Angela right now, so.
Yeah. You got nobody else ready? It's all right. Kenesha Crawford used Belcher, didn't she?
Yes, Your Honor.
But Hamrick did not.
Correct.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Usually it's the whatever plus four. I mean, I'm not gonna swap. Yeah, yeah. I'll try to make a note of that. I'm sorry, Paula? That's fine, that's fine. We'll limp through. Good morning, Ms. Boyce. Can you hear me?
Good morning, yes.
I've got a file from March 9, 2021, a personal, abandoned personal property misdemeanor from the airport. Carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor for the airport authority has made an offer on the file. If you plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, you agree to pay fines and costs of $200, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Do you understand the offer, ma'am?
I have a question. I did.
How about we answer mine first? Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Okay, your question is?
For the parking ticket at the airport, I did pay that ticket.
This is not, this is a fiction. This is the way we can take a misdemeanor, the prosecutor can plead it down to a civil infraction, so it's just between you and the cash register. It has nothing to do with an actual parking violation that you might have had.
Okay.
You follow me?
Yes.
Okay. Are you prepared to go forward today without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to our court-appointed attorney?
I can move forward.
Okay. Do you have enough information to make a decision?
Yes.
What would you like to do today, ma'am?
I would like to go ahead and pay the fine.
So you want to take the deal with the prosecutor?
Yes. This is my first time ever doing this.
That's all right. That's why I offered you the attorney, and I'm answering questions. So we'll get you through
maybe
this.
I'm not sure if I should get an attorney or not, because I really
Let me tell you how this is going to work. If you take the deal from the prosecutor, it's going to cost you $200 and you're done with it.
Okay.
No permanent record other than the receipt you get.
Okay, I'll take that.
Okay. Can you do that within 30 days to pay the 200?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You're all set, ma'am. Enjoy your day.
All right, thank you.
Sir, with the Rebel phone, what's your name?
My name is Michael Blackman. I'm so sorry I'm late because they told me because I had paperwork said it was from 9:30.
You're okay.
What was the name?
Blackman. All right, Mr. Blackman, we're going to rename you so we know who you are, and we'll be back with you in a minute.
Yes, Your Honor.
Michael. I'm sorry. I didn't get the first name. Now I know.
Ms. Belcher, what do you got?
Yes, Judge, I'm ready on more. We are going to be requesting a July 15th return date. I did have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Manarino. They would just like to see the cars gone. It's my understanding that Ms. Moore is in the process of selling the home. So hopefully all of that can be accomplished by July 15th.
Okay. And was that 9:30 I gave you before?
9:20 and 9:30, so.
All right, 9:30.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Moore, you understand that?
I didn't hear some of it. Can you be repeated, please?
We're gonna adjourn these files until July 15th at 9:30. You can stay in contact with Ms. Belcher. Hopefully, we're gonna get you involved.
And Ms. Moore, I'll send you
Okay.
the phone number in the chat before you sign off really quickly, okay?
Okay, so just stay on.
Until you get my phone number out of the chat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, ma'am. Ms. Belcher, we're gonna put you in a breakout room with Terrell Moore. No relation, I think.
Okay.
Deborah Sias, you are muted.
Oh, all right. Can you hear me now?
I can. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I've got a file here from September 3rd, 2020. It's a registration or plate violation. Carries a possible penalty of up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
No, I didn't, but okay.
Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Okay. The prosecutor for the airport authority has made an offer on this file. If you plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, and agree to pay fines and costs of $200, then this misdemeanor charge would be dismissed. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Do you have enough information to make a decision?
Yes.
What's that decision, ma'am?
I will plead guilty.
Can you pay this within 30 days?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea of the civil infraction. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor and give you 30 days to pay. Your address on North Laurie is correct?
No, it's not, but I can get mail there.
Okay. And how about your phone number? 388-4455, still good?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
I can get on your online site to pay that.
You can. I just want to warn you, if you pay $200 online, it's probably going to cost you about $220 or $225.
Okay, that's fine.
If you want to mail it in, I can give you an address to save you the money.
I'll just do it online. It's easier for me.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Mr. Blackman, unmute yourself, please.
Sorry. I have, Your Honor.
Mr. Blackman, I've got 3 files, I think. Correct. I've got 3 files with your name on them from August 2nd, 2015. I've got 2 civil infractions, a registration or plate violation and drove without due care and caution. These two are in default with money due. 448 on one file, 394 on the other. There's also a misdemeanor file from that date, operating while intoxicated. That carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right. Ms. Manarino, is there an offer for Mr. Blackman on the misdemeanor?
Your Honor, given the age of the civil infractions, is there anything that we can do with those? Because what I was thinking of doing, if it's acceptable to the court, is dismissing those if Mr. Blackman pleads to the operating while intoxicated charge.
Let me see what happened on the files, and then we'll talk about that.
Okay.
Looks like we had a hearing date set up for September 8th, 2015, and Mr. Blackman didn't appear. Do you remember what was going on back then, Mr. Blackman?
Yes, I was out with one of my friends at her behest.
No, I'm not asking you what happened on the date of the incident. I'm asking what happened that you blew off a court date.
Yes, Your Honor. I received no correspondence.
The notice would have been sent to the address on the ticket, which was on Broadway in Bay City.
I had moved from there about 3 weeks after the incident.
Okay, so the answer to your question, Ms. Manarino, is I'd waive some late fees and penalties and help him out financially, but I'm not going to let him go back to nothing.
Okay. Then there's no, I guess there's no offer on the file. He did plead to the operating while intoxicated discharged.
Okay, Mr. Blackman, you understand the options you've got?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Are you prepared to go forward today without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney, or let me adjourn the case so you can hire your own attorney? Those are your options today.
A court-appointed?
Sure. We've got one ready to talk to you. She's in a breakout room with another client, so she'll be with you in just a few minutes, hopefully.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. I'm just going to mute you.
Judge, wasn't that Revel 4 Plus? Wasn't that Mr. Blackman?
Yeah, unless it's another Revel 4.
Yeah. Miss Toya Moore is back in. I'm just going to see what she needed.
She was waiting for Leanna to text her a phone number. Miss Moore, did you have a question?
What did you say, sir? I just put my mic on.
Yes, so you said that the court date was going to be adjourned to July the 15th at 9:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but until then, I have time to remove the vehicles.
That's the plan, correct. Give Miss Belcher a call. Did you get her phone number?
No, she didn't. She told me she would give me her phone number. I haven't got that yet.
She sent it through the chat function on Zoom. Did you check that out?
No, I don't even know how to check out the chat function on Zoom. I thought she was going to return. I could write it down.
When you look down at the bottom of your screen, it should have a little icon that says chat.
I haven't got it.
Okay, we're going to leave you in the waiting room. We'll send that. Paula, you can send her the number, can't you?
I'm not sure what number she's giving him, but I'll chat with her and have her send it.
We'll put you in the waiting room, Miss Moore. After you get that phone number, you can just remove yourself from the meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Mr. West.
Good morning.
Sir, I've got a file here from April 30, 2019, open intoxicants in a motor vehicle. This is a misdemeanor punishable by up to $500 fine plus court cost and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Sir, the prosecutor has made an offer. If you plead responsible to the civil infraction of double parking and agree to pay fines and costs of $200, then the misdemeanor charge would be dismissed. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you have enough information to make a decision?
Yes, I do. I would like to take that offer.
Can you pay the $200 within 30 days?
Yes, I can.
You are all set.
All righty, thank you. Have a nice day.
You as well, sir.
Okay, Miss Canal Pounds was right above Mr. West at
We're gonna start in a
10:10.
minute.
Ma'am, with the Rebel 4, can I, oh, she's not connected.
Mr. Kagan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can. Good morning.
Good morning. When were you scheduled, sir?
10:10 a.m. for this morning.
Thank you. Just trying to find you on my list so I can cross you off.
Yes, sir.
There we go. All right, I've got a file with your name on it. Airport misdemeanor violation of rules and regulations. Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
The prosecutor for the airport authority has made an offer on your file. If you plead responsible to an added charge of double parking, a civil infraction, and agree to pay fines and costs of $200, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Would you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. Would you repeat that? The misdemeanor would be dropped if I paid.
Sure. Yeah, let me explain it again. The misdemeanor will be dismissed if you plead responsible to a parking violation and agree to pay fines and costs of $200.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Can you pay that within 30 days, sir?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir, I do not.
You have a lovely day, Mr. Kagan.
You do it. You as well.
Thank you.
May I leave?
You may leave.
Thank you.
I would encourage you to do so. Rebel phone, unmute yourself, please.
Muted. I'm so sorry.
What is your name?
I am Haley Brandon.
Brandon with a B?
Yes.
What time are you scheduled?
I'm scheduled for 10.
Thank you. Haley, H.
Haley, okay, got it.
All right, Miss Brandon, I've got a file here, just like the last one, misdemeanor charge from the airport rules and regulations violation, up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I do, but I didn't know what was going on at the time as well. This was all new to me. I've never been in any type of trouble. So
Let me stop you. Let me stop you. Would you like to talk to a court-appointed attorney that might be able to walk you through the process?
I just don't understand what's even going on. I'm sorry.
That's all right. We're gonna put you in the waiting room until we're ready to put you in a breakout room with Miss Belcher.
Okay, thank you.
We'll get you through this. You're not going to jail. This is not gonna be life-altering. You're gonna be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Judge,
You're
did you
dealing
want
with
to take,
professionals now.
sorry, did you want to take care of Mr. Moore before?
I do, but I think Mr. Blackman needed to talk to Miss Belcher. So let me fill her in on that one, and then we'll talk to Miss Belcher about Mr. Moore. So Mr. Blackman's got 3 files from 2015, Leanna. 2
Okay.
civil infractions where he owes just over $800. And then a misdemeanor operating while intoxicated, and there is no offer from Van Buren.
Okay.
I told him I'd be willing to shave off some late fees and penalties on the civil infraction, but I'm not going to let him go away.
Gotcha.
All right, so let's talk about Mr. Moore's file.
Your Honor, Mr. Moore is going to be taking advantage of the offer that Mr. Mena has extended. He's going to be pleading guilty to disorderly and dismissing the disobeying the police officer.
All right, 1 for 1. So, Mr. Moore, you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, sir.
You understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to disorderly person at the airport on February 18, 21?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you voir dire, Miss Belcher?
Yes, Your Honor. On that date, sir, you were at the Metro Airport, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And while there, sir, were you on the jet terminal and using offensive language in front of other individuals inside the airport?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll accept, thank you, Mr. Meta. I'll accept the plea to disorderly person and I will dismiss the fail to obey a police officer. Mr. Moore, I've got your address on Hopper. Is that right?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
And could I have a phone number for the file?
313-367-6181.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Belcher, what else should I consider?
Your Honor, my client was working prior to quarantining due to him catching COVID. He is diabetic, so that did create some significant health issues for him. Prior to
Sure.
that, working at Celine Manufacturing. He's in the process of becoming a homeowner, and he does have a 4-year-old daughter that he's responsible for.
All right, thank you. Mr. Moore, anything else you'd like me to consider before I sentence?
I'm taking full responsibility. I don't want to, jerk the chain or nothing like that, Your Honor. So, I'm just trying to get this over with, get past it, get back to doing the positive I've been doing. And I want to apologize to the court about my actions.
All right. So I've dismissed the fail to obey on the disorderly person. Fines and costs are $500. I can give you a due date within 30 days, or I can set you up with a monthly payment plan, whatever works.
How much you said it cost?
Total is 500.
You give me, I'll pay that off and you can set me up for the monthly, but me personally, I'm gonna go ahead and pay it off though. But you can set me up for the monthly, but I'm gonna pay it off.
Tell me if you're gonna pay it within 30 days, we'll just save the paperwork.
Oh well, yeah, you could save up paperwork then.
Okay, get it paid in 30 days, and you got no problem.
I appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
All right.
Okay.
Ms. Belcher, into the breakout with Mr. Blackman.
Yes, sir.
I'm done?
You're done, sir.
All right, thank you. Thank y'all.
Judge, if
Yep.
you'll give me one moment, I can get rid of Miss Moore.
Go ahead. I'm gonna try to find out who some of these phones are.
Okay. Miss Moore, okay.
Yes.
Write this telephone number down, please.
Okay.
734
734
404
404
8505.
8505.
And you're all set.
And this was the attorney Marino?
No, Belcher is her last name.
Belcher. Could you spell that for me, Miss, please?
B-E-L, B as in Baker, E-L-C-H-E-R. Okay?
Okay. And this phone number, the directions, what am I supposed to do when this?
Call her and she will give you directions.
Oh, okay. So I call her now?
She's the attorney that's gonna help you make this problem go away.
I would wait until this afternoon. She's working with us right now. Call her this afternoon.
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor. And thank you, Paula.
You're welcome.
Glenn's iPhone. What's your name, sir?
Glenn Scott Patton.
Scott?
Glenn Scott Patton. Patton.
Thank you. What time were you scheduled?
I'm not exactly sure, Your Honor. I don't have my paperwork with me. I called in as early as I could.
It was 9 a.m., Judge.
Thank you.
That was when, yeah, it already has some horn on.
Yep. All right, Mr. Patton, we've got 3 files here from February 23, 2021.
Yes,
Civil
sir.
infraction, no proof of insurance. Civil infraction, disobeyed traffic control device. And correction, the third file is a misdemeanor dog license violation from October 5, 2020. The misdemeanor does carry a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I do.
The civil infractions you can plead responsible or not responsible. Ms. Manarino, is there an offer for Mr. Patton to consider?
Yes, Your Honor. We would add, I guess, a 4th count of double parking with a fine of $230 and dismiss the 3 original tickets.
All right, so double parking, 230, 230?
Yes.
Mr. Patton, you understand the offer?
I do. I agree.
Can you pay the 230 within 30 days, sir?
I can.
I'll dismiss all 3 original charges and you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.
Just get a hold of the court online and pay it.
Yeah, or you can mail it to us. You can drop it in our drop box. You can walk it into the front door 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Lots
Okay.
of options.
Can I get that number again, please, that I owe?
230.
Got you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. LG Stylo 4, are you connected?
Yep,
Yes,
they
sir.
are.
What is your name, LG Stylo?
Hello, my name is Alicia Bailey,
Miss Bailey, what time were you scheduled?
10 a.m.
Thank you. We will rename you. All right, I have got a file here from February 20, 2021, defraud innkeeper at the airport. This is a misdemeanor, carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
No, sir.
Okay, what don't you understand about what I just said?
Well, I understand everything you said, sir, but
Then why did you say no when I asked you if you understood me?
Yes, I understand, sir.
Okay, the prosecutor's made an offer on this file. If you plead guilty to this charge and agree to pay restitution of $52 to Central Parking, this would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. That means if you didn't have any further criminal violations in 3 months and you paid whatever court costs might be assessed, then the file would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a criminal conviction. Do you understand the offer that's been made?
Yes.
Ma'am, are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
Without an attorney, sir.
Okay, do you have enough information to make a decision this morning?
Yes, I did have something to say if you don't mind.
I need you to answer my questions, ma'am. At some point, I'm going to give you all the time in the world to tell me whatever you want me to know.
Okay, yes.
But can you make a decision today with the information provided?
Yes, sir.
And what would that information, or what would that decision be?
To pay the fine.
You're going to plead guilty to the misdemeanor defraud innkeeper?
Yeah, you said if I plead guilty, it goes away within 3 months.
It will not, yes, it will, as long as you do what you're supposed to do over the next 3 months, it will not stay on your record as a conviction.
I never had a ticket before, so.
I understand, ma'am. I can't, all I can do is tell you what the options are. I can't tell you what to do.
Okay, and which is to pay the fine. That's all that's needed to do, correct?
No, we first got to get to the point where I hear a guilty plea from you, and then I assess the court costs, and then I tell you what the fine is. But the process requires me to find out if you're pleading guilty or not guilty.
I'm not guilty.
Okay, that's fine. You want to talk to a court-appointed attorney, or do you want me to just set this case for trial?
I wouldn't, I guess, probably would need to talk to a court-appointed lawyer, I guess.
All right, Miss Belcher is on the screen with us. We're gonna let her take care of another file, and then we'll put her in a breakout room with you.
Thank you.
Miss Belcher, are you ready on Mr. Blackman?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Tell me.
Your Honor, I did renegotiate the plea with Miss Manorino. My client's going to be pleading to operating while visibly impaired.
Mr. Blackman, you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And you understand your rights and options today?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
The date of August 2nd, 2015. Counsel, you want to do the voir dire?
Yes, Mr. Blackman, were you operating a motor vehicle on that date and time?
Yes.
And that was in Van Buren?
Yes.
And prior to operating, had you consumed alcohol, sir?
Yes.
Do you remember how much you had to drink?
quite a bit. I think 4 mixed drinks.
Okay, and sir, at some point, did you crash your vehicle
Yes,
into a stop sign?
yes,
And do you feel like that was in part due to your intoxication?
yes.
Satisfied?
Thank you, so am I. Mr. Blackman, on that file, I'm going to send the file to the probation department. They're going to contact you and set up a pre-sentence interview. They'll do it on Zoom like we're meeting right now. Based on that interview, they're going to put together a report and recommendation for sentencing. Ms. Belcher will have a chance to look at that. You'll have a chance to look at that, and I'll look at it. Then the three of us will get together for an actual sentencing at some point in the future. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Your address on McGraw Street is a good one?
Yes,
Phone number 443-9937?
yes, Your Honor.
Could I get an email address?
Yes, it is future nurse, FU.
Hold on, future nurse?
Yes, all lowercase, no space, 628@gmail.com.
Future nurse 628@gmail. Where are you going to school?
I am currently classes just got over for Bay Aranac Adult Ed.
Good, good. All right. So on that file, let's see. I'll put you on a personal bond on that one with 2 conditions. The first one is you'll cooperate with probation and Ms. Belcher so we can move this file along. Second condition is you're not to purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you got a doctor's prescription for the substance. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand for me. Go ahead.
I have two things I wanted to clarify. I'm trying to get my license so I can get work. So
Good.
is there any way in this deal that I could pay the clearance cards and be able to
Mr.
do
Blackman, we're not on that file
Yeah,
yet.
we'll
sir.
talk about those.
Oh, I'm
Discuss
sorry.
that.
We're gonna.
I'm
That's
sorry.
all right. We're gonna get there. You said you had 2 things.
And the second thing is I'm sorry. I just
That's all right. Let me finish my process and maybe it'll come back to you. The personal bond means you're going to cooperate with counsel and probation and you're not going to purchase, possess, or consume. Understood?
yes.
Raise your right hand.
For probation, I was wondering if I could run that.
Sir, would you let me finish my job, please?
I am so sorry.
Would you raise your right hand? The other right hand.
Sorry,
Do
Your
you
Honor.
swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you violate bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, any more questions on this file, the drinking and driving file? You can put your
No,
hand
Your
down.
Honor. No,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Now, on these civil infractions, on one file, you owe $448. On the other file, you owe $394. How soon could you pay $500 and clear them both out? I'll waive late fees and penalties if we can get the $500 soon.
Monday or Tuesday, Your Honor.
Next week, that will be $500 plus your clearance fees. So $590 gets you back on the road if this is the only problem you've got.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, any questions?
Yes. No, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Okay, all right. You're all set then?
Yep, all set.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. Your Honor.
All right, I'll be right back.
You want
I need
Miss
to grab
Bailey?
Post-its.
You want Miss Bailey and Miss Belcher to go into a breakout?
Sure. Yes, Sure as I figured, when I figured out, yep. Ms. Belcher, you there?
Yes, Judge.
The offer on Ms. Bailey's file, which is defrauding an innkeeper, is that she'll pay restitution of $52 and 3-month delay sentence.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anybody else ready? Oh, you know what? Yeah. Detroit Tigers shirt, what's your name?
Jeremy Parham.
Parham with a P?
Yes.
What time were you scheduled, sir?
10:30.
Thank you. I've got a file here from March 1, 21. Misdemeanor charge of defraud innkeeper from the airport. Carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor's made an offer. If you plead guilty and agree to pay restitution of $64, there'll be court costs assessed. And at the end of 4 months, if you have no further criminal offenses, the charge would be dismissed as long as you paid the money you were supposed to. Understood?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney, sir?
I'm ready to go forward. I don't need an attorney.
And what's your decision?
Guilty.
Tell me what happened on March 1, 21 that makes you think you're guilty of that charge, sir.
I was in a rush that day. I know I should have probably paid. I was just rushing. I had to hurry up and get home. So I know I was guilty.
All right, I can accept your plea. Beaconsfield, a good address for you.
Yes.
And are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I work at a super car wash. Part-time. I was in school trying to get my CDLs during the week.
All right. Anything else you want me to know before I set the terms? Sentence terms.
No.
All right, I'll go along with the prosecutor. I'll delay sentence for 4 months. That means no new criminal charges during that time period. Restitution to the central parking, or excuse me, standard parking of $64 and court costs of $350. Can you pay all that within 30 days, or would you like me to set you up with a monthly payment plan?
Monthly payment plan would be nice.
How much can you pay every month, and when can you start?
I can start next Friday. And you said, how much is it again?
Total would be $414.
Okay.
Restitution and fines and costs.
Yes, I can pay like what, $150 every 2 weeks.
Let's do monthly payments. Do you want to do $300 a month?
Yes.
If that's not too steep?
No, that's not too steep.
You're all set. Any questions?
Payment plans, y'all have set that up so I can get it done, or how would that work?
Yeah, we'll send you a notice on that.
Okay, that was it then. That's the only question I had.
Have a good day.
You want to bring in Canal Pounds too, Judge? She's been out there for a little while.
Sure. Detroit Morningside, what's your name?
Oh, I'm gonna change it right now. Give me 1 second.
Could you tell me what it is?
Wendy Brown.
Thank you, Ms. Brown.
I can change it for you, Ms. Brown.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Brown, we'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay.
Ms. Pounds, can you hear me?
Yes.
I've got a file from February 22nd, 2021, the charge of the checkpoint violation at the airport. This is a misdemeanor, carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer on the file. If you plead guilty to this charge, it would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. If you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses during that time period, the charge would be dismissed, so it does not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. The item that you had with you on February 22nd would be destroyed unless it's a firearm. If it's a firearm, you could petition for its return after 3 months. Do you understand the offer? Ms. Pounds, did I lose you?
Yeah.
Ms. Brown, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Miss Pounds is back, looks like.
You can wait now.
Okay.
Ms. Brown,
Yes.
you're charged with child abuse, leaving a child unattended in a vehicle. That is a misdemeanor. This is from September 6, 2020. Carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
I understand.
The prosecutors made an offer. If you plead guilty to disorderly person, the child abuse charge would be dismissed. The disorderly person would be taken under a deferred or delayed sentence for 6 months. That means you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses, and pay court costs. If you do what you're supposed to, at the end of 6 months, this would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a criminal conviction. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Ma'am, are you prepared to go forward today, or would you like to speak to an attorney?
I'm prepared to go forward today.
Did you get enough information to make a decision?
Yes, sir.
What is your decision, ma'am?
I'm going to take the attorney's plea deal.
You're pleading to disorderly conduct then?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Ma'am, tell me what happened on September 6, 2020.
Pretty much my son. Okay, I'm new here, even though this is not excuse for leaving your child in the car, but he wasn't feeling well. I had like 5 other kids with me. He was asleep. I took them and parked in where you weren't supposed to park, and ran in to get my 13-year-old from the airport. I was the only adult. It was just me doing a stupid thing at the wrong time. And
Okay, I can accept your plea, ma'am. I'll dismiss the original charge. Got your address on Berkshire, is that right?
That's correct.
Phone number 296-5577.
Yes.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, sir.
All right, so stay out of trouble for 6 months. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $300. Can you pay that within 30 days?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
You're all set. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Belcher, what are you ready for?
Your Honor, I'm ready on Alicia Bailey.
Tell me about it.
Your Honor, it's going to be a plea to double parking, $200 plus the restitution for whatever is owed for the parking.
Yeah, and I believe restitution is 52.
So
That's
252?
Correct.
Okay. Miss Bailey, will you need a payment plan for that or a due date in 30 days?
I would like a payment plan, please.
How much can you pay every month, Miss Bailey?
Let's see. Say about 50.
50 a month. When can you start?
I can start in June. Say like around this date in June. I can
How about
start.
the 18th?
That sounds fine, sir.
Any questions?
Yes. So you said he was double parked as well as
Miss Bailey, you pled responsible to double parking. The original charge is dismissed. It's exactly how we discussed. Nothing on your record. Nothing gets reported to the Secretary of State. You just owe the fine.
Okay.
Does that help, ma'am?
Pardon me?
Does that answer your question?
Yes, it did.
Anything else?
No.
Enjoy your day.
You
Thank
too.
you, Your Honor.
Ms. Pounds, are you with me?
Yes.
All right, let's try this again. Maybe our audio will stick with us.
Okay.
Fines and costs on this file, up to $500 fines plus court costs, up to 93 days in jail. The prosecutors made an offer. If you plead guilty to the charge, it would be 3-month delayed sentence. That means you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I would assess court costs And depending on what the item was that you possessed, it would either be destroyed, or if it's a firearm, you could request its return. If you do everything you're supposed to, then at the end of 3 months, this charge does not stay on your record as a conviction. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Do you have enough information to make a decision?
Yes.
What would you like to do today?
I would like to take the guilty charge and the sentencing.
Take the deal?
Yes.
February 22nd, 21, were you at Metro Airport?
Yes.
Did you have something at a checkpoint that you should not have had?
Yes.
What did you have?
I had a taser.
I will accept your plea. I've got your address on 4 Forrer, is that right?
Yes.
How long have you been there?
I actually reside in Texas now, but that's my mother's address in Michigan.
You want us to use the Texas address or mom's address if we mail you
Can
something?
you use Texas address, please?
Give it to me.
1615 Bering, Bering Drive, apartment 1624, Houston, Texas 77057.
77057?
Yes.
All right. How about a phone number?
313-450-8935.
All right. Are you working down there?
Yes, I'm a paralegal down here, ironically.
Oh, good for you. Good for you. Anything else you want me to know before I set terms?
No.
All right. Fines and costs on the, go ahead.
One more. So when you say after the 90 days that it doesn't go on my record, so in the event, like I'm starting law school, that won't show up, or it will show up?
Actually, law school will probably have access to the record that shows that there was an arrest, there was a disposition that led to a dismissal, but it's not a conviction at that point.
Okay.
Jim, I can't see character and fitness having a problem with this kind of charge. Can you?
I don't see it being a problem, Your Honor.
I'll tell you what, Ms. Pounds, if at any point this stops you from chasing your law school dream, you come back to Mr. Men is a reasonable guy. We can figure out a way to fix it.
Your Honor, why don't we just do it now? We'll just give her a double parking.
Very generous. Very generous. All right, so that turns this misdemeanor into a civil infraction. I can guarantee that's not going to go up on any record.
Thank you so much.
All right. So fines and costs on that, $300. Can you pay that within 30 days?
Yes.
You're sure?
Yes.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck with school.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
Judge, just an FYI, Angela, it looks like Angela's docket is done, so she signed out. I've got her number. If for some reason anything comes up, she'll
That's
sign
fine.
right back on.
What's Haley Brandon hanging out for?
We haven't helped her yet. I think she wanted to talk to Leanna. I was just
okay.
going to bring her in, but.
All right.
Hang on, I'll log my ear. Okay, there we go. Do you want me to bring her in while we're waiting for Mr. Sobe to?
Yeah, if that's what she's waiting for is Belcher.
Hello.
Sir, how do you pronounce your last name?
Sobe.
Give me just a second.
Okay, sir.
Miss Brandon, we're going to put you in a breakout room with the court-appointed attorney.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Sobe, I've got a misdemeanor violation of rules and regulations ticket from March 11, 2021. Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
The prosecutors made an offer on this file. If you plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, and agree to pay fines and costs of $200, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do understand.
And do you have enough information to make a decision, or do you need to speak to an attorney or get more info?
No, I got all the information, Your Honor.
What do you want to do today, sir?
I'll do the $200 and get the case, the second option you gave me, Your Honor.
Okay. And can you pay that $200 within 30 days?
I can pay it today if you want to, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll give you 30 days so you don't have to do it online. If you do it online, it costs you extra money.
Okay, so do I come to the court and pay it instead?
You can mail it in, you can drop it in our drop box at the court, or if you're here between 9 and 5, Monday through Friday, you can do a face-to-face transaction.
I can come into the court and do a face-to-face transaction. Okay, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
We have Travis DeBose.
Bringing him in.
Okay.
Walter, what's your name?
Walter Glover.
Glover?
Yes.
What time are you scheduled, sir?
It was at 10:10. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Hello.
Just a moment, Mr. DeBose.
I think he's 10:30, Judge.
I got him. Yep. All right, Mr. Glover, got a couple files here with your name on them.
Okay.
August 14, 2020, assault and battery, and MDOP, malicious destruction of property. Each one of these is a misdemeanor punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs. Each one up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer. If you plead guilty to assault and battery, the companion case of malicious destruction would be dismissed, and there would be a request for a restitution to, looks like, is it Antoine Harrison, Mr. Mena? We lost Mr. Mena. Looks like there may be a restitution claim. You understand the offer, Mr. Glover?
Correct. So can I say something?
No, you can answer my question. Do you understand the offer?
And I say yes, I understand, but I
Okay.
still have a question.
And I'll get to your question when I'm ready for it.
Mr. Mena's back.
I'm sorry, Judge, I was muted. Yeah,
Mr.
it's
Bennett.
Antoine Harrison.
Thank you. Mr. Glover, are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to an attorney?
I can go forward without one.
All right, what's your question?
So my question is that with the Antoine situation, I paid for the window. We ran out an agreement that I would pay for the window and he wouldn't file charges. And as far as assault and battery, I didn't assault anyone. I didn't physically fight with anyone. It was an altercation. We got into an argument, maybe a push or a shove, but it wasn't like assault and battery where we were out there fighting.
Just so you know, that the legal definition of a battery is an unlawful, unwanted touching. So if you shove me without my permission, that's a battery.
Got you. Well, the person that I got into the altercation with, he said he didn't even want to file charges, and he told the police that as well.
Okay.
And I have him on FaceTime as well.
Okay. Mr. Mena, does that change your offer at all?
I'm taking a quick look at the report, Your Honor. Your Honor, I haven't talked to the victim.
Are you willing to? It sounds like Mr. Glover's in contact with him right now.
Yeah, if he wants to jump on here today, Your Honor, we can put him in a breakout room and I can talk to him.
Okay. Mr. Glover, you're in communication with Harrison?
No, I didn't have any, with the person that you guys are talking about as far as Harrison, we didn't push or shove or anything. We didn't have any type of assault and battery.
Let me stop
Yeah, Your
you.
Honor, we're talking about there's technically two victims in this case. One was Mr. Harrison, that was the MDOP. The other is a Javis Ware. Javis Ware.
Are you in communication with Mr. Ware?
Yeah, that's who I'm on the phone with now.
Okay, why don't you talk him into the Zoom meeting? When we get him in Zoom, we'll put Mr. Mena and Mr. Ware in a breakout room.
Okay, I don't know how to do that exactly.
Well, you know how you did it. Can't you tell him?
Oh, well, yeah, I didn't know. I thought you were saying add him onto this call. I'm like, I don't know how to.
Just give him the same information that you used to get into the Zoom, and when he shows up, we'll let him talk to Mr. Mena.
Okay, you got a Zoom.
And you don't go away. You stay there so we can find you, Mr. Glover.
Okay, and then let me send you the link.
Miss Belcher, what do you got?
Judge, I'm ready on Haley Brandon.
So am I.
She's going to be taking the double parking plea at $200. She would ask for a payment plan of $50 a month with the first payment starting this Friday.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Correct, Miss Bailey?
Yes, that is correct.
All right, the misdemeanor's dismissed. Any questions?
No, sir.
You're all set then.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're all right. Yep. And Mr. DeBose, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I have 3 files, it looks like. From February 14, 21, April 9, 21, and March 1, 21, all the same charge, defraud innkeeper. And
Yes.
the prosecutor has made an offer. If you plead guilty to 1 count, the one from March, the other 2 would be dismissed. It would require a restitution of 182 to central parking and 160 to standard parking. Do you understand the offer that's been made?
Yes, I do.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to an attorney?
I will go for it by myself.
What do you want to do today, sir?
I guess I'll plead guilty to the 1 charge.
All right. So on that date in March, tell me what happens that make you think you're guilty of defrauding an innkeeper.
Well, what happened was, I guess me leaving the airport, I had to pay my parking pass, but at the time I didn't have the money on me. So I decided I was going to pay it online, which I actually made an attempt to pay it online. But by the time I had a court date, and that's why I'm here today.
All right. I can accept your plea. I'll dismiss the other 2 charges. Got your address on Coral Gables, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And phone number for you, please?
313-398-8345.
8345?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Is there anything else you'd like me to consider before I sentence you?
Nope. I'm just apologize for not having the money on me that time. But I was willing and trying to pay the full amount that I was owed. But I guess I didn't make it in a timely manner. So I got to take responsibility for my actions.
All right. Are you working, sir?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I do construction work with my father. He has his own business called Best Deal Construction.
What kind of stuff you do?
I'm a masonry worker, so we fix on porches, any brickwork, any cement work. We rebuild driveways, all type of stuff.
Pretty busy right now, I bet.
Yes.
Good, good. It's good to be busy. All right, Mr. DeBose, I'm going to charge you the minimum on the fines and costs, $125, with the restitution of $182 and $160. That brings you up to $467. Can you pay that within 30 days, or would you like to set up monthly payments?
I can get that to you today.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, did you hear me? I said I can get that to you today.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Hello.
What was the name? What?
What was the name of the gentleman that's going to be calling in for this? What's his first name?
Javis. I think he's on, like, it has him on the waiting room screen.
Not under that name.
Which name is it under?
Is it Warren's iPad?
Yeah, I believe so. Maybe so.
Hello.
What's your name, sir?
Javis Ware.
All right, we're going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Mena, who is the prosecutor for the airport authority.
Okay.
You didn't want Mr. Glover in there, did you, Judge?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Got it.
Good morning, Mr. Youssef.
I believe Mr. Youssef has an attorney that hasn't checked in yet.
Have you had
Jonathan
contact with
Paul?
your attorney, Mr. Youssef?
Yes, sir. He emailed me yesterday, actually, told me to jump on at 10:40.
All right. Well, you're on time. We just need your attorney to show up.
Yeah, he's actually scheduled at 11, so. Do you want me to put him back in the waiting room?
Yeah, we'll
So-
put you back until your attorney's here, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Andrew King is checked in.
When's he
And-
scheduled?
10:40. Rules and regs.
Thank you.
Mr. King, please unmute yourself. Okay, you're there?
Hello?
Mr. Yes, Mr. King?
Yes.
Okay, hang on just a second. Judge will be
Okay.
right with you.
Paula, did we do Wendy Brown? Yeah, thank you. Be with you in just a minute, sir.
All right, no problem.
Sir, I've got a file here with your name on it from March 11, 2021. The charge is violation of rules and regulations at the airport. Carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand that?
I do.
The prosecutor has made an offer on the file. If you plead responsible to the added charge of double parking, a civil infraction, and agree to pay fines at cost of $200, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Do you understand the offer?
All right, yeah, I do.
Do you have enough information to make a decision?
I do.
What's your decision, sir?
I'll take the offer.
And can you pay that 200 within 30 days?
I can.
Any questions?
Nope.
Misdemeanor is dismissed. Your
All right,
address
thank you.
on Cooper is correct?
Yes, sir.
Phone number 499-7448?
Correct.
You're all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're just waiting for Mr. Mena to come back from the breakout room and Mr. Youssef's attorney to check in.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm ready on Glover when the judge is.
I was just letting him know. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Mena on the Glover matter.
Yes, Your Honor. After speaking with Mr. Ware, what I am willing to offer Mr. Glover is a double parking, $300 civil infraction, and dismiss the 2 misdemeanors.
Mr. Glover, do you understand that offer, sir?
Yes,
And what would you like to do?
that's fine. $300. I'll pay it. That's fine.
Can you pay it within 30 days, sir?
No, I don't have a job, so I need time.
Let's set up a monthly payment plan. How much can you pay every month and when do you want to start?
Like $50 a month.
Starting?
We can start with June 1st. Well, June, like maybe I don't want to say the beginning of the month because like DT and stuff like that.
I like
So
Friday. So June 4th is Friday, June 11th, June 18th.
June 11th. That's perfect.
Any questions, sir?
That's it.
You're all set. Both original misdemeanors dismissed.
And where would you pay it at?
You can send it to the court. You can show up at the court and use the drop box or pay face-to-face Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Or you can go to the 34th District Court website and you'll find payment options online. If you pay it online, it will cost you extra money.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, how much was he going to pay monthly?
$50 a month.
Thank you.
You're all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
Judge, would you like me to call Mr. Yusuf's attorney just to let him know that if he hops on now, we can get him?
He
Wait,
just popped
he
in.
just popped in. I'll bring him in.
Hey, Jim, how are you?
Good. How are you, John?
Good.
Also, good morning. Your appearance for Mr. Yusuf.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jonathan Paul on behalf of Mr. Yusuf.
And I've got a plea offer in the file. I'm not sure if you and Mr. Mena have discussed it. Double parking, fines a cost of $400.
Yes, Your Honor, we'd like to move forward with that. Mr. Yusuf understands that's a plea bargain. He's prepared to plead responsible.
Great. And Mr. Yusuf, can you pay that within 30 days?
Yes, sir.
Then I will dismiss the misdemeanor. Anything else, gentlemen?
No, Your Honor, thank you very much for your time. Thank you, Jim, as always. And Jason, I'll follow up with you in a little bit.
One more thing. Mr. Yusuf, I just want to confirm some information. Your address on Hillmore is a good one?
Yes, sir.
Can I have a phone number for our file?
Yeah, it's 248-417-3302.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, gentlemen.
What was the amount of fines and costs, Judge?
$400.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I believe Mr. Shell was warranted earlier. He was scheduled at 8:50.
Mr. Shell, can you hear me?
He's not connected just yet, Judge. I'm sending him a chat with basic information. He is connected now. Please
Mr. Shell,
unmute.
where you been?
Please unmute yourself, Mr. Shell.
Go look at my couch. It's on the floor. Mr. Shell, are you there?
Oh, I'm here.
Where you been?
Actually, I was at work. I totally forgot until I pulled this out of my jacket. It was my bad.
I've got a file here with 2 charges from February 16, 21, interfering with a police officer and retail fraud. Each of these is a misdemeanor punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs, each one up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking to see if the prosecutor made any offer on your file. She did not. So let's see, we'll put you in the waiting room. Let's see if we can get a hold of her and see if there's an offer for you to consider. Oh, I thought you were gone.
No, this is
Leanna.
I
Good
have
morning.
all of Angela's offers. So she offered 771 for 6 months and she would dismiss the interference.
Okay. That's not on the email she sent me. You get special treatment from everyone, Belcher.
It's because they're tired of getting beat up.
I am the
All right.
nicest. That's a
So-
lie.
So, Mr. Shell, if you plead guilty to the retail fraud, the prosecutor's willing to do a delayed sentence for 6 months. That means you stay out of trouble, no criminal offenses. At the end of 6 months, if you've stayed out of trouble and paid your court costs, that would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a criminal conviction. If you do that, the interfering with police would be dismissed today. Do you understand the offer?
Yes, I do.
Do you have enough information to make a decision on the offer?
I do.
What's your decision, sir?
I can do that.
All right, on February 16, 21, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Were you at a store in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
What store was that, sir?
Myers.
And did you try to take some merchandise from Myers without paying for it?
Yes.
What was the merchandise?
I think just a backpack.
I can accept your plea to count 2, retail fraud, dismiss the count 1, interfere with police officer. Address on Woodland Hills, a valid one?
No.
Give me a new one, please.
It is 48031 South I-94 Service Drive, Van Buren Township 48111.
How about a phone number?
734-686-2599.
Thank you. And where do you work?
I'm a contractor. I just, an electrician.
All right, keeping busy?
I'm starting to. I just got off of disability, so I just started working again.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I assess fines and costs on the retail fraud?
No, sir.
All right, as I said, 6 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs assessed in the amount of $400. Can you pay that within 30 days or do you need monthly payment plan?
I would need a monthly payment plan. I just got back to work.
How much can you pay every month and when can you start?
I can start on the 1st. How about $80?
Nice round number, $80 every month on June 4 is your start date. I like Fridays.
Okay.
Any questions?
Where would I make that? What's that?
I said, any questions?
Yes. Where would I start making that payment to?
You can go on our website at 34th District Court. You can pay it online, but that'll cost you a little extra money. Or you can make your payments directly to the court. You can mail the payments, you can use our Dropbox, or you can do a face-to-face 9 to 5, or excuse me, 9 to 4, Monday through Friday.
Can I use this case number?
Yes, sir.
210141.
If you say so.
Okay.
Your Honor, that's the case
Correct.
for the interference with police. What do you need
Yep.
the other?
Okay.
Yeah, that probably makes more sense. Substitute the 41. No, actually, they're count 1 and 2, same file. So it is 21-0141, Mr. Shell.
Perfect. My apologies.
Okay.
No problem. Anything else, sir?
No, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Okay, Glenisha, looks like Glenisha Warner, scheduled at 11:10. Glenisha, can you verify your last name is Warner?
Yes.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ms. Warner.
How you doing, sir?
Wonderful. I've got a file from February 15, 2021, misdemeanor charge of defrauding an innkeeper.
Yes.
Punishable by up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor's made an offer on the file. If you plead guilty, the prosecutor is recommending a 4-month delayed sentence. That means you stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges for 4 months. If you pay whatever you're supposed to pay and stay out of trouble for 4 months, then this matter would be dismissed at the end of that time period and it would not stay on your record as a permanent conviction. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
No, I'm all right.
What would you like to do today, ma'am?
I plead guilty.
Tell me what happened on February 15th, 2021 that makes you think you're guilty of this charge.
When I went to the airport and I paid for it. It was my first time going to the airport and I paid for it. Like when I first entered it, like I put a card through, my girlfriend card through, and I thought I paid for the interest and the like leaving too. So when I did it, like I didn't have, when I did it and I came back, I didn't have no money on my card or whatever. And I just had cash on me and I didn't know, you know what I'm saying, what to do. So
I will accept your plea. Got your address on Hopkins, is that right?
yes.
Phone number, please.
313-979-1978.
And are you working?
Yeah, with my mom, yeah.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the court costs?
No.
All right. Restitution of $48 to standard parking. 4-month delayed sentence, stay out of trouble. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $200. So that's a total of $248. Can you pay that within 30 days?
Yes, I can.
Any questions?
No, sir.
You're all set.
All right, thank you.
Looks like we're at a drag time again. Hey, Leanna,
Yes, Paula.
you want to go over who you've done so far while we're waiting on somebody to check in?
Yes, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so I had Miss Allen, Kimberly Allen at 8:30.
Yep.
I had Miss Gladstone, Kelly Gladstone at 8:30.
Yes.
Thomas Schramm at 8:40.
Got it.
I had Belleville Yacht Club at 9, but I sent in an appearance on that one, so that's not an MIDC one.
Better not be.
It's not, sir.
I hooked you up with that one. That could be paying for your kid's college if you work it right.
I don't know about all of that, but I'm very appreciative of what you've done for me.
Okay. So
and
I marked that one off. I put not MIDC.
Okay. I have Frederick Drinkwine at 9:10.
Yep.
Alfred Moore at 9:10.
Alfred Moore. Oh, yeah, I got you.
Yep. Then I have.
What about
had
Michael
Anna
Blackman at 9:10?
Yep, he's just down more. I'm going in the order that I spoke with them.
Okay. All right.
Sorry. I had Michael Blackman, you're right.
Okay.
Then I had Anna Eversole at 9:20.
Got it.
I had Kanisha Crawford at 9:40.
Hang on one second. Mr. Mena bumped out and he wants back in. Okay. Say that again, honey.
I had Kanisha Crawford at 9:40 and Terrell Moore at 9:40.
Okay.
Then I had Haley Brandon.
Got it.
10 o'clock. I had Alicia Bailey at 10 o'clock.
Got it.
And I think that's it.
Okay, well then I had them all. I just like to make sure you get credit for all that you represent.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Okay, sweetie. We'll just wait for somebody to check in.
Okay.
LaChonda,
Yes.
can you tell me what the full name is, please, so I can?
LaShonda Armstrong.
Hang on 1 minute.
She's LaShonda Armstrong, call at 11.
Yeah, I'm just changing her name here. Okay. Okay, I've got you checked in. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room for just a few moments, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Whoever's on the iPhone, can you tell me what your name is, please?
My name is Tiara Warren.
Okay, and that's Teaira?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you back in the waiting room for just a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, Bill. His guy checked in, Judge, so I'm going to bring them both in and tell them to hang on. Pardon? I'm bringing him in right now with his client. Matt Brazil at 11:20. Good morning, Mr. Weinberg. Judge will be just a moment.
Thank you. Is Ms. Manarino available to speak to?
Actually, no, she's not. Hang on just a minute and I'll give her a call.
Okay. Morning,
Ms.
Matt.
Belcher. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Judge, I'm here.
Do you have anything from Ms. Manarino regarding Matthew Brazil?
Yeah, let me check my sheet.
I'm looking at what she sent me.
What time was it scheduled at, Judge?
11:20.
Not on my sheet.
I can call her really quickly.
I don't see him on mine either, Judge. I'm gonna do a once over just to double check.
Mr. Weinberg, let us get a hold of her.
Okay, Your Honor, this is one I called and talked to, I think Paula, and she moved it up. I'm trying to get him into a sobriety court, so I didn't want to wait till June, and she rescheduled it for today.
Hang on just a minute.
Thank you.
Whose sobriety court are you trying to put him in?
Hopefully Westland. He's already on probation in Westland. Judge McConnell said he would accept him, and he's a Westland resident. He's open to do yours too, but I talked to Shannon. She said it may work out better to do it in Westland, but he's open to either program.
Yeah, we'll work with you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to get a hold of Angela. I got a call.
All right, I'm just going to mute you two fellows and see if I can get some other business taken care of.
Thank you.
Stevie, what's your real name?
That's it, Stevie H. Murphy. H for
Murphy.
Harold.
Thank you. All right, what time were you scheduled, Mr. Murphy?
I was scheduled for 11:10.
Thank you. Gotcha. All right, so I've got a file here. Airport violation, checkpoint violation. This is a misdemeanor from March 19, carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer. If you plead guilty to this charge, it would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. That means for 3 months, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. You'd have to pay the court costs as assessed, and at the end of 3 months, the matter would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. Do you understand the offer, Mr. Murphy?
I do.
And do you have enough information to make a decision?
I do.
What's that decision, sir?
I will plead guilty to that.
Tell me what happened on March 19, 2021. Did you have some item at the checkpoint you should not have had?
Yes.
And what was that, sir?
It turned out to be an air gun, a CO2 handgun.
Mr. Mena, you satisfied with the plea?
Satisfied, Your Honor. For the record, Your Honor, I believe that item will be destroyed.
Understood, Mr. Murphy?
Angela, this is Paula. I need you to.
Paula, you're muted, not muted. You're talking over us. Mr. Murphy, you understand the gun will be destroyed?
Yes.
All right. I'll accept your plea, sir. I've got your address on Partridge Lane. Is that right?
That's it. Yes, it is.
Could I have your phone number, sir?
Area code 248-229-4267.
Thank you, sir. And are you working?
I am, yes.
Looks like a work truck you're in now.
Yes, it is.
Who do you
Yes,
work
it is.
for?
I start to schedule the day off, but I figured if it goes quickly,
No
I should be able to squeeze it in.
So who do you work for?
Platinum Factory Service. I do the plants repair for Whirlpool Corporation.
All right, good. Anything else you want me to consider before I assess court costs?
No, I think I think the report that I gave, everything that I gave is accurate, and I don't think there's anything else that should be added.
All right. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, as I said, stay out of trouble. Court costs are assessed the amount of $400. Can you pay that in full within 30 days, or do you need payments?
I can pay that in full within 30 days.
Any questions, sir?
Where should I send that payment? And in 3 months, do I reach out to you again, or does someone reach out to me?
In 3 months, we're just going to dismiss it unless we think there's a problem. If we do think there's a problem, we're going to reach out to you at that contact info you gave us. Where you can pay the court, you can go online, pay it online at the 34th District Court website. If you pay it online, there will be some third-party vendor fees. You can mail it to the court, you can drop it off in our Dropbox, or you can do a face-to-face Monday through Friday, 9 to 4.
Okay.
Good luck, sir.
That sounds good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Miss Armstrong, unmute yourself, please. Can you hear me?
Yes.
We've got a file here from February 17, 2021. Misdemeanor charge of defrauding an innkeeper at the airport. Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
The prosecutor has made an offer on your file. If you plead guilty, you agree to pay restitution of $80 to standard parking.
I'm sorry, I already paid this ticket. Is the lady, what is her name? She was on here. She told me they were going to dismiss it because I paid it before she sent the papers to my house, and I spoke to her again, and she said she was going to show up in the courtroom to tell the judge that I already paid it. And
Who's
they were
this
going
lady?
to dismiss it. It's her name. I thought I seen her name on here.
Who she work for?
I called. She's like a detective.
Okay, well, I haven't had any police officers join my meeting today. Mr. Mena, any idea what Ms. Armstrong's talking about?
Your Honor, I'm assuming she says she paid the parking fee. I'm assuming it's central parking, but I haven't received any confirmation of that.
Ms.
Oh,
Armstrong,
wow.
who did you
wow.
pay and how much
It's
did you pay?
$45. Is her name? Who is Paula? Who is that on here?
Paula is my secretary and she doesn't have the authority to dismiss anything.
No, she told me she was going to show up to Zoom into court and let them know that I paid it so you guys could dismiss.
No, my secretary wasn't going to do that.
Oh no, not your secretary. I'm just looking at her name because I see a lady name on here. You know, I don't know who your
So this
secretary
is a
is.
detective
But
with the
she's a
airport
detective
police?
though. She's the one who handled. She's the one. I had to call another lady to pay it. I talked to the detective. She told me to call another lady to pay it. Then I called. Then once I received the citation, I called the other lady back, and she told me yeah, she called me and told, the other lady called and confirmed to her that I paid it and just show up to court. And she was going to come to court to tell the judge that I paid it and they was going to dismiss it. I paid $45.
Well, that didn't happen. Mr. Mena, is there any way to confirm or deny that today, or should we adjourn this file?
Your Honor, I'm not seeing, it wasn't $45 anyway, it was $80. And that was
No,
the
oh,
censor.
wow. Wow.
That's, I
Ms.
guess we
Armstrong,
should
please
adjourn
don't
this.
interrupt people.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Your Honor, I'm looking at the report today, the February 22nd. There was a letter sent out that she had to pay the $80 within 30 days. I don't see anything in the report file that I have attached that says that was paid. I'd have to follow up on that. So I guess an adjournment would be in order.
All right, when's your next airport date, Mr. Mena?
Your Honor, I think I just received my next airport date with you is June 3rd.
All right, so Ms. Armstrong, we're going to adjourn this till June 3rd, 9 a.m. You might want to try to track down whoever these ladies are that you're talking to, and Mr. Mena will check his end to see. Ma'am, you interrupt me one more time, I'm just going to hold you in contempt and send the cops out to pick you up and throw you in jail. Seriously?
I'm sorry.
Do you understand what an adjournment is?
Yes. I was just trying to ask you that the detective who handled this citation, like, do you know who she is?
Your Honor, if I could interrupt.
Please.
I'm sorry. I have a note. I was finishing going through the file. I was notified by Devon Chandler Standard Party the fee of $80 was paid on this date. So, Your Honor, we move to dismiss the charge.
Ms. Armstrong, it says there that you paid $80. Prosecutor wants to dismiss it, so I will dismiss the file.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Warren, are you connected? Ms. Warren, you're muted.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm here. I just
Good
don't know how to
morning.
connect my video. Good morning.
That's all right. We can do it without video.
Okay.
I've got a misdemeanor file for November 28, 21, dangerous weapon at the airport. Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
The prosecutor has made an offer on your file. If you plead guilty to the charge, the prosecutor is recommending a 3-month delayed sentence. That means for 3 months, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I would assess court costs. You would have to pay those costs. As long as you did everything you were supposed to, at the end of 3 months, the matter would be dismissed. It would not go on your record or stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. You understand that offer, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
I can go forward.
And how are you going to go forward? What's your decision?
I can do the 3 months.
All right, ma'am. On November 28, 2020, did you show up at a checkpoint area at the airport?
Yes.
And at that time, did you have something that you should not have had with you?
Yes.
And what was that, please?
It was a taser.
I can accept your plea based on that. I've got your address on Valley Brook Place. Is that correct?
Yes.
And your phone number, 875-6112?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything you'd like me to consider, Ms. Warren, before I set the court costs on the file?
No.
All right, so stay out of trouble for 3 months. Court costs are assessed the amount of $350. Can you pay that in full within 30 days, or do you need a monthly payment plan?
Can I do a monthly payment plan, please?
How much per month, and when can you start?
I can start next week.
I'll give you till Friday. That help?
Yes.
How much can you pay?
I could pay 100 right now. Well, Friday.
How much every month, though? You want to set it up for 50 and you can always pay extra?
Yeah, 50. That's fine.
All right, so minimum of 50. We'll always take extra money.
Okay.
Any
Thank
questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
You're all set. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I have tried to contact her on her cell phone. Sometimes she said it comes through as something strange, so she doesn't answer it, not knowing it's a court. I contacted her court, excuse me, her office, and they were going to contact her. I'm going to try and call her. I think she just tried again.
I just sent her a text too. All right, Mr. Weinberg, just hang with us. We'll try to accomplish something.
Thank you, Your Honor. No hurry. Thanks.
Judge, she said she does, hang on, honey, hang on. She said she does remember talking to me about this case, but when she ran her docket, it was not on there. She's at the airport right now, and you can do what with your headphones? Do you want me to put her on speaker, Judge?
Sure.
Hang on. Okay. Angela?
Yeah.
Can you all hear her?
I can. Mr. Weinberg?
Yep, I heard her say something.
Okay, what do you need Angela for today? My understanding is you're trying to put your client in sobriety court at 18th District Court?
Correct. So he's got a pretrial, I believe, on the OWI as well as an open intox. So I was trying to take a plea and then get him started to moving towards entering into the sobriety court program.
All right. Angela, do you know whether or not there was a plea offer on this file?
Angela?
Can't hear anything if your judge is talking. I can't hear her.
Okay. Do you know whether or not there was a plea offer on this file? He's trying to
Trying
get.
to get up on the. I'm sneaking on the Wi-Fi at the airport right now. It's going to take me a minute to get connected.
Okay, she's getting on Wi-Fi right now.
Thank you.
Do you remember the date that this was scheduled before, Tola?
It was originally scheduled on June 17th, it looks like.
June 17th.
Do you have a pre-trial? Was there a pre-trial before or not? I don't know if I have.
No, there wasn't.
No.
Okay, I probably don't have access to anything on this because all of my reports are at home. But let me see what I can find out if I can get connected.
Is there a number I can call her and talk to her on, or?
Can I give him your cell phone number so Mr. Weinberg can call you and talk to you?
I think I have it.
I'm getting on Zoom right now.
Oh, she's getting on Zoom right now.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Trying to.
All right, so
Thank you, Angela.
Okay, I'm in the waiting room.
Okay, I'll bring you in.
Okay, thanks.
And I'm going to hang up on you on the phone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, would you like to go into a breakout room with Mr. Weinberg?
Yes, Judge. Or yes, Alfred.
Thank you.
all right, is that far behind? Oh, that might be the problem. That would make perfect sense. Hold on a minute then. Yeah, so this is April, so that makes perfect sense. Okay, see, that's why I call you. Thank you. Bye. Hey, Paula?
Judge, they're in a breakout room right now.
Sure. Can you call Shannon and let her know those checks are up here if she wants to pick them up? Yeah, but you know, like Paul said 2 or 3 times, she said, why do we have a lag? This many files, we should not have lag. But you know, you got guys showing up at 10:30, it was scheduled at 9 o'clock.
Mr. Mena, we do not have anybody else in the waiting room at this point.
Okay, yep, I'm just hanging around.
I wasn't ignoring you.
I know you weren't.
Yes, she was. We're all ignoring you, Jim.
Yeah, right.
You stinker, Leanna.
Paula said it, not me.
I'm just kidding.
She knows I love her. Okay, let me let Judge know you're back in. Okay?
Delta has also introduced tap to pay for in-flight purchases. If you have not already done so, please take a moment to set up your digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Federal law requires that your mask or face covering be worn over your nose and mouth throughout the duration of flight, including during boarding and deplaning, even if you have received the vaccine or had a negative COVID-19 test. Failure to comply may result in removal from the aircraft and criminal or civil penalties or both. Face coverings with exhaust valves are not permitted and may result in theft. With many states and countries imposing local COVID-related restrictions, we encourage everyone to verify the requirements for your destination.
Judge is on his way. He'll be just a second.
Okay, I'm back on Mr. Brazil's file. Anybody want to talk to me?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Darren Weinberg on behalf of Matt Brazil.
Angela Manring on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Weinberg this morning. We are going to add an amended count of operating while visibly impaired and dismiss the 2 original charges.
Dismiss both original charges?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I did have sorry.
Go ahead, Mr. Weinberg.
I did have an opportunity previously to talk to Mr. Brazil, and I just called him on the phone to explain the final offer. He indicates he understands it, is prepared to waive his right to a trial, understands that his license will be revoked. He will be able to get a license through sobriety court. But he does understand by pleading guilty today, he is waiving his right to a trial and he's prepared to put his plea on the record.
Okay. And Ms. Manarino, we probably don't need you to take the plea, so thank you for joining us. Travel
Sorry about
safely.
the mix up, Judge. Thank you.
Travel safely. No problem.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
All right. Mr. Brazil, you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And obviously you've discussed your rights with Mr. Weinberg. You understand those rights and options?
Yes, sir.
All right. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today to the added charge?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Weinberg, I seem to have misplaced the files in all these piles. So why don't you do the voir dire while I try to lay my hands on the physical file?
Yes, Your Honor. Let me grab the report. Mr. Brazil, were you operating a vehicle on January 30th, 2021?
Yes.
And were you in Van Buren Township at that time?
Yes, sir.
And at the time was approximately
Thanks.
12:17 p.m. Is that the time you were operating the vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes, sir.
Prior to that time, had you consumed some alcohol?
Yes, sir.
How much and what type of alcohol did you drink?
3 beers. I think it was 3 beers.
And what type of beers were they?
Hop slams.
Okay. And those are high percentage beers, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Due to the consumption of that alcohol, do you believe it lessened your ability to operate a motor vehicle in a normal manner?
Yes, sir.
And in fact, did you fall asleep at a light for a prolonged time period that the police approached you on?
Yes, I did.
Do you think that was caused partially, at least, because of the alcohol that you consumed?
Absolutely.
You did some field sobriety tests, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And then you were brought back to the station to do some breath tests, is that correct?
Yes.
You did, I believe, 2 data master tests at the station, is that accurate?
Yes.
Do you remember the results, or if I told you they're 0.17 and 0.17, do you dispute that, or do you agree with that level?
I do not dispute that.
Your Honor, I'm satisfied with the elements of the crime.
So am I. I will accept the plea to the impaired driving. I will dismiss the original 2 charges. I'm going to refer your client to a pre-sentence investigation interview with probation, so they'll reach out to him and schedule a Zoom meeting. They'll probably also reach out to you, counsel, to schedule the actual sentencing date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Brazil, confirm your address for me.
38590 Monmouth Street,
Spell it.
Westland, Michigan. MONMOUTH, Westland, Michigan, 48186.
How about a phone number, sir?
734-652-0372.
I'm sorry, my audio. I lost you after the area code.
734-652-0372.
And do you have an email?
Yes, sir. Matt Brazil 42 at gmail.com.
Okay. Thank you, gentlemen. You should be hearing from probation.
Your Honor, one quick question. You have no
Sure.
objection in this matter about him being transferred to the sobriety court in Westland?
Oh, no, not at all. Not at all. I wish him luck.
Will they still need to do an evaluation there, or will they rely on the evaluation
You
from
know
Westland?
what? Talk to probation. I'm pretty sure the way we've been doing these is we do the pre-sentence investigation screening, and then the recommendation is that I sentence them to that court, but work that out with probation.
Okay. Do you have a sentencing date, or you don't know yet?
Probation.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Matt, when you hear from probation, you give me a
Paul, I had those damn files.
Mr. Brazil, you can sign off, sir.
Oh, shit. Oh, they're right here.
Oh, you put them on the check.
Yeah, call Marlisa, would you?
Yeah.
So we have no one else in the waiting room. Do you want to hang in there for a few or just?
As soon as I'm caught up here, I'm done.
Okay. And these are all warrants right here.
Yep.
Angela said, I remember talking to you about it. Because I wouldn't do that without money. Actually, names the weekend.
Oh, 5/28 is Friday, isn't it?
It won't take it.
Yeah, 5/28. It was supposed to be next Friday. Yeah, thanks.
You want me to? I verified with Leanna who she appeared on. You want me to give you my docket so that you know? Okay. Now, do you want me to take Brazil down to probation?
I'll take it down. I'll take everything down. Do me a favor though, when you're doing these brackets, for some reason, just that line there makes my eyes skip right over Walker. So if you just draw the line like,
Okay.
you know what I mean? Because if I'm going through fast, if the line's close to the name, sometimes I don't see the name.
I automatically do that for me, so I have room to write. You
Yeah.
know how big I write. But I will
I'm
make.
sorry to interrupt, Your Honor. Am I able to log off now?
Oh, I am so sorry, Mr. Brazil. Yes, yes, absolutely. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
But I'll make sure I do that. You want me to let everybody else go or?
Yeah, I got it. Mr. Mena, Miss Belcher, we're done.
Thanks, Judge. Bye, Mr. Mena.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge. Bye, Mianna.
See you next time. I know you're so excited.
I am.
Bye.
Bye.
That sucks.